What up, chat? Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Let's get into this. Yo, you alive? Yes, just about alive. Good morning, everyone.
Alive.
Yeah, I've been pretty ill. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still not 100%. I will have to dart to the toilet every fucking half an hour, but I couldn't miss any more days, man. So, how's it all been, man? How's it all been? Let's take a look at so far the news for this week. Last couple of days. How was yesterday? It wasn't too much. Yeah, Monday wasn't either, which is good. Today we got CAD interest rates. Apart from that, it's not bad. Interesting. Done for the month. Beautiful. Wow, looking like GG had quite a big move last night, eh? Big push down. So let me get into analyzing all these charts first. Then we'll go back on the past 2 days to see what you could have potentially taken. I literally haven't looked at the charts at all for the past 2 days because I've been pretty much doing fuck all the whole time. I've been struggling, to be honest. It's been pretty painful. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what's happened. So let's first of all get this started, right? Daily time frame on GJ. Past 3 days or so have been a little bit more bearish than usual in the past previous times. Still though, in terms of like structure, you know, we're still heading up. You know, this is resistance. We've pushed up. You know, we retrace, we break resistance, come up, retrace. You know, so we're still bullish overall. We're just having a bit of a retracement. That's great. So yeah, let's take a look then at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame closed bearish, the previous ones. In terms of the daily, I mean here, we haven't closed below major support, but we're already pushing down. Got a nice wick to fill, 172 to 660. To continue and fill the previous wick, that could make sense. I mean, if you really want to push the daily, I mean, potentially could go retest, you know, maybe this level down here. Fill the zone up if it wants to continue down. That's probably the easiest target for daily. In terms of the 4-hour, yeah, we obviously have some major 4-hour support, you know, around these areas here. So it is a very, very strong support. Take a look at the hourly, the 30-minute and the 15. Yeah, I mean, you can see here we do have some pretty big support around these lows down here. So knowing this, you know, I'm gonna mark out first of all the support right now is like up here. Oh shit, not that. Jesus Christ, I haven't been on the charts for a while. Yeah, right now we have this little minor support, right? This is right at 173. I don't know why this is. I want it a little bit lighter. 1 second. Why are you not changing fucking style, bro? I want these lines a little bit lighter. Save as box. Okay, so yeah, I mean, in terms of overall support right now, we do have one here at 172,940. We do have rejection wicks here quite a lot of times, so taking sells, you know, right at 173 here could be maybe a little bit sore. But I mean, in terms of the 30-minute time frame, to be honest with you, if we get a closure below here, you know, the next zone to continue down, look what happens. Well, we push all the way down to 172,500, push all the way down to 172,700. So, you know, the zone below isn't actually too bad to go retest, which is like here. Okay. Yeah. So I think, you know, potentially if this next 30-minute close is bearish below here, I think the next candles could maybe continue to at least 750. And then maybe continue a little bit further. I'm going to put it there so we can tap this level as well. One actually be feeling better, bro. Cheers, man. I'm feeling a little bit better, but I'm still a little bit maybe It's just my ass, to be honest. It's just painful. Let's take a look then at the 15, see if anything is in the way. No, we're kind of below. I mean, there's a little bit there, but that was at 345. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. So potentially sells below here. I'd be pretty happy to take that. Yeah, and the illness has been lasting a long time, man. Like I'm still ill today, and I got it on like Saturday, so it's been happening a while. But that Saturday night, fucking hell, I was dying. What was the illness, brother? Just fucking horrendous diarrhea, pretty much, and also like shakes, shivering, headaches. Like I was absolutely roasting in terms of like my body temperature. Like I had you know, a temperature, but I was shivering. I was by myself as well because everyone was camping doing salmonella. Ooh. Do you think? Do you think that could have been it? Interesting. Symptoms. Take a look. It could be salmonella, you know, thinking about it. Because yeah. You would have been vomiting too? It says in the thing, no. It says most people with salmonella infection have diarrhea, fever, and stomach cramps. That's literally exactly what I had. I did cook some chicken in the well, it's thighs, and some of it might not have been cooked, maybe. Anywho, so yeah, the cells below that I think are going to be nice on GJ here. And then when we obviously come back down to these lows, would I look for W formations? Well, yeah, because it's quite a big level of support, you know, down in these areas here. So yeah, I'd look for like W's towards there. In terms of buys. Obviously this zone moves quite quickly, which is nice. So yeah, I think the buys will come once we react off a support somewhere. Yeah, I think that would be pretty realistic to maybe continue back bullish to 173,400. In terms of where I'd want to take any other buys though, you know, we do have a resistance here. This is the major resistance right now, 173, you know, 767. Maybe 174,055. To go fill up that range, it kind of pushes quite quickly, so yeah, potentially buys above there as well would be great. How's everyone been doing though this week? Have you guys been profitable? How's it been going? Literally took the last 2 days off, didn't look at work at all in the slightest. Like, I need this fucking off, man. I'm dying. First day, like, I've actually kind of fully took off. Good morning, actually feeling good. Thank you very much. Yeah, I got my water with me, trying to keep me a little bit hydrated. So yeah, this is pretty much GJ. It's looking nice, to be honest. I actually think it looks pretty good. You know, it looks pretty decent for us to maybe get a trade later on. Okay, so that's great. Goldie, let's take a look at Goldie. Goldie's price action. I've been looking at Goldie's price action, to be honest with you, for the whole week, like at bedtime and stuff, and it's been okay. It's been I know some people got caught out on an M somewhere. I think it was there. Yeah, I don't think it was too bad, to be honest with you. I think it was, you know, it was that resistance. Had already retested this level here. I think it may be a little bit unfortunate. I think the price action was maybe not the nicest. That's the only thing. It's been pretty painful looking at it from outside perspective. Something I do. Yeah, that's true. Clear it all out. Okay, let's take a look at the daily time frame. So yeah, we're still looking like we're in a bullish trend right now on gold. It looks like we are starting to just hold, you know, a big level of support here. 1940 seems to be a huge level, so yeah. Lost one trade this week, hasn't been great with moves. Yeah, that's been good. To be honest with you, it's been the first time I've actually been off, and there's been not many moves, so I'm kind of happy about that. Finally. I'm just starting to write on like daily supports and stuff, because when you start to see these daily supports, it shows you real easy levels to find M's and W's. So what obviously you look at right now, look at the 4-hour time frame, right? Look at these candles. You've got, you know, a doji candle, very, very small candles, big wicks. It's showing a lack of volume, a lack of direction. So that's okay. You know, just showing maybe not the nicest price action right now. Showing you that you've got to be maybe a little bit cautious. Did I add the daily? No, I did not add the daily on. But yeah, last daily candles have been closing bullish. It's all good. So yeah, we have support at 1957. Wow, that zone below is not bad. I mean, we have, you know, we do have a little bit of a minor support. So obviously when we break below 1957, where would we continue? Well, this is obviously a nice clean candle, but we did push up, and I think this may have been with maybe a little bit of news on Monday, maybe. I think it was, yeah, it was at 3 o'clock. So we do need to remember that push with news. You need to look at the left hand side and see what else has happened. Well, if you take a look here, we have a lot of support. Realistically, this is the lowest level of support. So yeah, I think the easiest way for us is to sack that off. We'll still leave it there, because this zone from there to there it's 45 pips. I mean, yeah, support's okay, but there is obviously a rejection wick which comes quite far into there as well. I think the sells below 1952 would be great for us to then continue down and hopefully get back down to 1939, you know, like this area. Like that. And I think that would be great. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. 120 pips. This is very, very slow, but at the end of the day, when there's volume, we push very, very quickly. So a nice zone again, you know, nice zone. Pretty solid. Could you take sells earlier, like higher up? Well, yeah, of course you can, but we'd have to see depending on closures and how the R is. And I mean, you could potentially try and wick fill there. You know, that wick fill actually isn't too bad. You know, it's 27 pips, so we'll see. So far this month, I've taken like 2 trades, one win, one break even. The break even did go 26 pips, but my stop was 40, so I kind of wanted a bit more out of it. That was just before I went to camping. The dreaded camping trip. Jesus Christ. You don't even want to know what happened on that trip. When I was fucking ill. Jesus Christ. Okay, so yeah, we have a resistance at 1966. Do you want to take buys above there? I mean, we have a little bit of traffic here. That was at 1:30 though. There was news. There is obviously a lot of resistances around these areas. I think, you know, maybe above 1968 would be the easiest to get to. 1973 at least, you know, around these areas. But I think the distance from 1968 to 1972 could be taken advantage of. I think that would be nice.
What's up, Mr. Toilet?
What up, below? Hey, hope you're doing well, my man. How are you doing?
Doing well.
Good stuff, good stuff.
Sleeping like a rock.
Max, I don't understand, bro. You provide such great knowledge and information, but the people show no support. You at 10k subs still. I gotta go promote you. It's a must. It's just effort, you know. Like, you know, I just don't push it as much, you know. I just don't really care. You know, if I needed subs and stuff, then I would, you know, bash it much more. I would be posting stuff, but I don't need it, so I just don't really care. I just do my thing. But yeah, I know. I'm not too asked about that. So yeah, looking like pretty bad price action right now on gold, to be honest with you. But you know, the zones above and below those areas will be great. You know, there's a little bit of minor support right here, but you know, in terms of like 5-minute time frames as well, you know, looking at M's and W's right now, I'm not even exercising any of my eyes right now looking at it because the price action's bad. Okay. Now let's take a look then at the previous days. How are we doing? Okay, how are we doing? So Tuesday was also still quite choppy. Yeah, this is the whole of Tuesday. I'm just checking M's and W's first. Let me just zoom this out a little bit. There we go. So M's and W's. There's Asian session. Obviously, there's a big spike there. That was quite a nice W there. Yeah, I actually watched this one. Sorry, I actually saw this one later on. And the only issue is you will, you know, this is candles closed above the wick, so you'd want to get in on the wick, and unfortunately I missed it by 2 pips. That's a bit of a bastard. There was an M formation here, which, I mean, it's a little bit choppy, I know. It's got a high though, it's closed below there. That would be the closure below. Your entry would have been retesting probably there. Stop loss would be above for 26 pips. TP would be, you know, back down to these lows here. First TP, yeah, you go break even, but first TP would be like down there. There's a little bit of an order block there, so around those areas. And yeah, TP2 maybe down there further. So that wasn't too bad. Yeah, this was a nice W. So I saw a lot of people take this one. I mean, it's not the clearest, but it's got some great rejection. Price came down, made a low. Price came up. Price made a low. Closed bullish. Closed bullish above. Closed bullish above the wick. So get in on the wick. You would have got in. Stop loss below. Now the only thing there is stop loss would have been 19 pips. Yeah, you would have. Yeah, it's decent enough. 17 to at least that level. Obviously, you would have held it a bit longer for 28. So that's not bad. And your runner, I know your runner would have got caught out. It's a shame. So that was nice, and then the rest of the day, yeah, nothing too much. So yeah, there was like maybe 1, 2. There's 2 on Goldie there. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And then there was one someone didn't work on. I'm gonna try and find that one. We'll do that for NY. Yeah, that's not bad. In terms of 50-minute and 30-minute closures, let's take a look. On Monday, we had... Yeah, nothing really that you can get your hands into, eh? Kind of just ranged here. Yesterday, ranged. Let's take a look at the chat. You should charge $5 for the stream. Nah, I don't need the money, man. Like, I make my money from my own trading and stuff. I don't need any more. I was slaughtered yesterday on the range, lost 4%. Oh, yeah, you've got to be careful, man. You've got to be careful. You've got to be careful. Especially in, like, markets like this. And this is what I've been saying recently, right? You know, there's a lot of times where I see people go, oh, I've taken one winning trade. That's be done for the day. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, and it's like 6 a.m. And it's like, you know, fair enough, you know, you've got your win, you're happy with it. But what I've generally seen in recent times is when there's a winning trade, there's normally more winning trades later on as well. Okay, there's normally, you know, when there's good price action one day, it normally continues. Obviously, if you're taking one win at like 12 or like 1 o'clock in NY, then fair enough. But like if you're taking one win like in London, I think, you know, holding on and staying on longer and finding maybe, you know, waiting for another setup could be reasonable, because, you know, right now there's days where there's just nothing, and those days, you know, you won't be making any money on. But then the winning days, it could be 3 entries, but you only take one of them and then dip. Yeah, true, Andrea. Yeah, 100%. So I think the people who, you know, take winning trades and just dip in, I think staying on a little bit longer may help you a little bit. Yeah. A good day you can give a nice percentage gain. Yeah, 100%. We've seen that a lot recently, And then GJ, what's GJ been doing? GJ's had actually better moves, I'd say. GJ's had better moves, I'd say, than for this day. Sorry, for this month. I mean, sorry, for this week. Obviously, we had a nice push down here. A little bit choppy from the start. It would really be quite harder to get in. But what you got to do is look to the left hand side and see how quickly it pushes. I mean, below, yeah, 747 wasn't too bad because we pushed straight down to 400. I know it doesn't look very, very clean, but you can see that we push quickly up, push quickly down, push quickly down, push quickly up. So we move very, very quickly from A and B. So if you have volume, if you have direction, then you know that a zone could be quite nice. Look to the right hand side, closure below, top wicks. Obviously, you had a lot of top wicks there, but you would have stayed in, and bam. It would have been nice. So that was decent. Possible W formation if 30-minute GJ closes bullish. W formation. No. Just think again, right? If I snip this, right? If I snip this. If I get this snipping tool out, if I do this, right? And if I give that to anyone in the world, are they gonna find a W? If I go, look, there's what letter can you see there? I don't see shit. If it's not obvious, if it has no two obvious lows, then it's not good enough. Okay. Phase high time frame, some rejection. In my opinion, GJ is in a pullback phase, higher time frame, some rejection, which in the daily holding 173,400. Yep. Yeah.
Max.
Mm-hmm.
To buy gold just if it crosses 68, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, let's go down like a 52.
Yeah, I mean, you could maybe take sales below 57, but 52 would be the nicest. Yeah, 57, you might be able to get them as well. And just go break even at that wick fill, 954.4. But yeah.
Okay, he's a ranger right now, no?
Yeah. Okay. That guy's mic's too loud. Oh shit, yeah, I need to turn down that. There we go.
Thank you, my boy.
How you been doing this week, my man? Are you taking any trades? Taking some good ones?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I take one trade that I make 2% the other day.
Oh, morning,
guys.
Morning. The whole squad's back. The whole squad's back.
Yesterday I take one good for 40 pips, but it's coming back and break even. And I leave the computer.
Yeah.
Gold yesterday looked like my dick, up and down, up and down. Up and down. Fucking crazy gold.
Yeah, look pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie.
Make me nervous.
I looked at it last night, I was like, thank fuck I wasn't here. Let's take a look at some people in the chat.
Sorry, I forget that you're alive.
Nah, it's funny. That's not do as well, but I shouldn't enter because it was such a big one. Yeah. Yo, Max, buddy, I'm very confused right now. Sometimes I get my setup, but I hesitate to enter waiting for bottom or top wick. Can you tell me when to anticipate top and bottom wick? You can't. You can't anticipate. It's just sometimes it gives you it, sometimes you don't. Most of the times it does try and give you it. But there is times that it doesn't. Last week, I think I missed out about 4 trades because there's no top wicks and bottom wick. It's just sometimes how it is, you know. And you've got to say to yourself, you know, if you're confident in the move, then just get in. And you know, if there's no bottom wick or top wick, then yeah, you might have to take some drawdown. But if you're still confident in the move with the conferences, then you know, just get in. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do a little bit more because I am missing quite a lot of moves because of it recently. But in terms of like a rule, I mean, normally the hourlies make a nice top wick and a bottom wick. I'm gonna still keep that. Like the hourlies do make nice top wicks and bottom wicks, and they could be quite aggressive. So I wait definitely for the hourly. Managed 3 W's trading the range. Sketchy. Nice. Well done, well done. Hey Max, hope you're feeling better. Respect you jumping on, man. Cheers, man. Yeah, I'm still not right, to be honest. I literally got out of bed today and I had to fucking run to the toilet. So yeah, I ain't better right now, but at least I'm sitting here. It's actually not bad. But I will have to dip to the toilet every fucking half hour.
Mr. Toilet.
Mr. Toilet. Oh man, it's just my stomach, bro. Like, oh, it's just.
Man. I know.
It's just rough. Ah. My mum was laughing at me the whole holiday.
But you only shit, no? Don't
Only shit, bro. And yeah, I'm fine. Like my mom. Yeah.
You know what's happened, Max? Too much McDonald's.
They're saying salmonella as well, which makes kind of sense.
She's a salad, nevermore.
Man, most of you lost. That should make you feel a little bit better. Yeah, if you guys were trading yesterday, like let's just go back, right? So, if we start back testing, replaying, yeah, I mean, if you look here, I mean, this should have given you a sign already, right?
Yesterday, 50 minutes, give you a good fake out, and
like if I go back to here, oh yeah, I think I saw Brian take that one. It was quite aggressive. Yeah. If I look at this, you know. For me already, it'd be still a buy above here, 1968. Sell below either 1957 if I get a nice closure, or 1952. And as you can see, as time goes on, if I can skip this forward, how the fuck do I skip this forward? Oh, there. I don't really know how to use this.
I give you a gulp to the day 5.
So as we skip here, you know, it's just ranging, right? Now, what I would be looking at these lows here, or I'd be looking at W's. I think there was a W down there. So W's there, obviously. Why? Well, because you're at support. So when price is ranging, especially like this, all you're looking at now is W's there and M's are there. And then, obviously, you're waiting for your closures in other zones, right? So up here, great, looking like it's pushing. That's nothing for me to take positions on because the left-hand side's got a lot of rejection. You look to the left hand side here, so like I don't need to really worry about these pushes, so you just wait a little bit longer. And look at that's celery there, but I mean, quite nice. Good rejection, break of the low. Might have been with a bit of news there, but oh. So yeah, I mean, getting caught there is a bit of a boo-boo there, because right now, yeah, the only thing that you should have looked at is maybe that kind of like fake out here, even though it didn't really close above. But the celery there was quite a nice, clean zone. And then obviously W's there and M's are there. And that's pretty much it. If you don't know how to trade a range, don't trade a range. I'm telling you. The only way that I am trading range now is because I've introduced something where I can trade a range, okay? Oh, fuck off. So yeah, so looking like Goldie right now is blasting off, right? We're breaking 4-hour flip, we're pushing up, but yeah, the price action right now is a little bit slower, so we just got to wait for it to get a little bit better. There's nothing to do on the 3-minute time frame. Yeah, 100%. So on the 5, we just discussed these moves. Was there any M's? No, there wasn't really. So it was quite hard yesterday. Hello Max, can I ask you how much you risk per trade? Yeah, 1.4%. Arse drop matters. Yes, arse drop matters. Oh mate, it was the worst feeling, bro. I was at this holiday park, right? I'm there literally at the toilet, but basically my dad doesn't let me shit in the motorhome. Well, nah, it's a mutual agreement. We don't really want people shitting in the motorhome because it's not really fair when there's like toilets nearby. So I'm kind of used to not shitting there. Obviously, I had to go consistently, and I had a timer of like a minute. If I don't get there in a minute, I'm shitting in the campfield. So I'm like legging it there. I'm already like, I'm hurting because like I'm ill. And proceed, these little fuckwits, these little kids, I'm there like shitting my guts out on the toilet. And I'm just vibing, minding my own business, like really hurting my stomach. And they throw a water balloon in my cubicle. And like it hits me. I'm like, I will literally break these fuckers' jaws if I see them. Like, I'm already in absolute agony. I am literally gonna fucking drop kick them. Oh man. That is so sad. Yeah, bro. I was dying, man. Like, I was actually really struggling. As if my kid did that and I found out, I would absolutely bollock it. But the issue is camping parks like that, man. It's full of fucking rough people. You know what I mean? Like, you know, man, it was not good. I tell you that right now. It was a motherfucker. I was like I was just shocked. I was like, what the fuck is that? And I look at the ground, it's like a balloon. And I go, oh my god. What the fuck? So Max, hello King A, my man. Hello Dr. Dollar, brother. Hope you guys are doing well. You guys not started yet? Oh, you guys will be starting soon. The streamers unite. Looking like prices maybe a little bit slow today. So far this week, really. It's been not the nicest. So yeah, the people in the chat that's maybe over risked yesterday, just be a little bit careful. Just be, you know, as I say again, you know, attack the markets, be aggressive when price is good, when volume is good. But when there's choppy days like this, just leave it alone. The amount of times that, especially when I was learning, I'd be taking so many trades in this area here. I'd be taking like 3-4 trades trying to get a winning trade. But then on a clear as hell day, with nice price action with clean zones, I would only take one trade and go, oh, I'm done for the day now. It's like, no, it doesn't work like that. If you think about it in terms of probability wise, you want to take as many trades as possible when you get clean, strong, moving moves. And when it ranges, you don't want to take none. Yeah? So always remember that, you know. The rule for like 1 to 2 trades a day is great for people that need that, you know, need that barrier. But when you start, you know, learning, man, I'll take as many trades as I can. So yeah. This weekend, guys, I'm gonna vlog the Gumball Rally. Yeah, I'm gonna vlog the Gumball Rally. So that'll be great. I'll show you some nice cars. I'll hopefully
bring rolling paper.
Smoke with my dad, eh? Oh, toilet paper, yeah. Yeah, look. I'm actually on the well, I'm not on, my dad is. The car is. We're on the Gumball Rally, look. Look. Gumball Rally. So yeah, this is the one.
Look what I buy the other day.
What is it? The fuck is that? Whoa, it's a gimbal. That's cool. That's sick, that, and it keeps it stable. Yeah, look, this guy's doing it as well. Is Hasselhoff doing it? Is that Hasselhoff? No, that's David Hasselhoff, I'm pretty sure. You know David Hasselhoff? You know the, you know Baywatch?
Yeah.
That's him. Yeah, he's doing it. He's like a new guy that I watch. Look, he's got an SF90.
Excited to announce it. I've been waiting so long to tell you, to share the good news. This will be my first gumball, my first venture into...
So yeah, look, my dad's car. Oh my god, is he doing it? Whoa. This is sick. Look, I'm going to be partying with these motherfuckers. I'm going to be partying with Man's Too Hot. Man's Too Hot. Look, there's my dad's car. Fuck yeah, look at that.
Yo, this car looking sick.
Yeah, bro. That's my dad's actual car as well in Pisa.
This is like a Batman car, man.
Yeah, bro. Batman. Hey, Max, wow. I caught a GGM yesterday. I rode it all the way down.
Fuck off the how is in the back? Is that other Lambo?
Yeah, it's a Murcielago. I do like a Murcielago, to be fair. Let's take a look at the comments. One of the best cars to ever build. Yes. Crazy you're in Gumball? Yeah. Small percentage of people do that? Yeah, I know. I'm very lucky, very privileged. That's sick though, and dude, Harry's gonna be there.
The Austin over there is fucking crazy too.
And And I think, hopefully, you'll see how loud this motherfucker is. This will be... I think this is the first time he's doing it in the Countach as well. This is going to be sick. Oh, these are all the people that are doing it. Nice. I want to see if Shmi's doing it. Oh, wow. He'll be bringing some DBs. So yeah, I'll try and vlog that. That'll be pretty cool. And we'll be partying. I know we're going on to some parties in London, so that'll be very fun. I'm missing out park life. I've decided I don't have time, and I really can't be asked to go to park life, to be honest. I tried to sell my ticket and it didn't work either, so that was great. So I mean, yeah, the cells on GJ could be. Oh, we've actually closed below here. In term, yeah, the issue that I have is, yeah, I mean, the 4-hour support is actually there right now. So even though it looks good for us to continue on the 30 and the 15, I think for me coming back, I think don't want to be taking a sell at a little bit of a 4-hour support. I don't think so too much, to be honest. It's still quite early on as well, 6:50. So we'll see how this candle closes. 9 minutes left for the hourly to close. Hourly support is still there, only like 4 or 5 pips away. Yeah, we'll wait for this hourly to close. Mr. Toilet, the best treat. 41 likes, guys, already. Nice.
But they put like it.
Yeah, boy. I think people have missed me a little bit. So the amount of messages I got on Instagram, like, oh, I miss you. Hope you guys get better. I'm like, oh my god, people actually like me. What?
You know, Max, I don't test you because I think that you have both hands occupied.
I definitely did. Don't you worry about that. Don't you worry about that. I was shit myself. My abs are hurting that much, to be honest.
I have this one time a month, man. One time a month, I sit in the toilet. I just live up there like 2 days. You know?
Yeah, bro.
It's good for the physique. You know, when you're feeling fat, just gastroenterite.
Yeah.
Feeling skinny again.
Yeah, that's true. But I'm losing all my muscle as well because I'm not eating. But yeah, I lost. Just jack off. That's salmonella for you, yeah.
Oh my god, man! Like a goat looking like a roller coaster for babies.
Yeah, it's looking pretty bad, eh? Why is chicken like so bad for that? I just don't get it, like. That's what I think. No, like chicken. Like, why do we have to cook chicken? Like, if we were really meant to eat it, why do we have to cook it? That's what I don't get.
And chicken is too much water and bacteria inside.
Yeah. So that means we weren't meant to eat it, though. You know what I mean?
No.
Like we physically weren't meant to eat it. Our bodies weren't meant to eat it. Because you have to cook it. If we were meant to eat it, we could just eat it raw.
Yeah, but you need to cook.
No, I know, but back in the day, you couldn't cook, could you? You're a fucking caveman. Try to eat other raw. Fuck.
I'm too lazy this last day. I don't wanna cook. I wanna order your food. Because I need to cook for 4 people all the time.
Yeah, that's true.
I am the cook and the chef, you know.
Put some steak in, you say. You could be yeah.
But do you do a dieta?
What?
Diet.
Yeah, I mean, the diet right now is fucking water and some sweets because I had no sugar in me for fucking 2-3 days.
You need to do a Gatorade. Gatorade's
yeah,
amazing.
I've been having a lot of monsters recently. The ones that keep me alive.
If you're gonna go back, just drink a Red Bull.
We don't mean to. Yeah. Anyone here bench 225 pounds for reps? Oof. Some of my members definitely do. We've talked about it. I think Dante will.
I think
Tommy will.
one trade just this week, man.
Yeah, it's only Wednesday though, but yeah, it's been not the nicest week, eh? It's been quite slow.
But I'm happy and control myself a lot.
Nice, man. Well done. Yeah, just taking it slow.
Let's say no. I don't wanna take this trade. If you max here, he don't take. And wait.
That's good though, brother.
Wait. I lose the enter, no problem. Tomorrow is a new enter. I take a good gulp. Yeah, I take a good gulp. I take 43 to 57.
Not bad. What? Was that yesterday?
No, 2 days ago.
2 days
This
ago,
big
yeah.
candle.
Yeah. That was nice.
But he doing it fucking quickly.
That shit ran. Yeah, I think Brian got in down here, didn't he?
Yeah, we take the same trade.
Nice.
But I think he leave open a little bit more. I fucking close.
Unpopular opinion, NY and NYC are way better than compared to London lately. Really? Wow. We'll take a look. Originally grown. We got all proof.
And the guy here in the chat raping.
He's been what?
Yeah, very well, the guy.
People in the chat have been doing well. Yeah, I've been seeing. Oh yeah, people who've like messaged about like adding to the chat and stuff. Like I was gonna sort you all out today. I haven't looked at any of these messages or anything. I've literally just been on the toilet for 4 days. Almost every single day gives us one goal for GJ for buys. Yeah, that's pretty nice. We'll take a look at it today. We're gonna do a sim today as well, so we'll be there at that time. What do you mean appendix is needed? No, it's not. You can get your appendix removed. Like, it causes more issues than it solves. It was there to eat grass, yeah.
Maxi, bye.
Hello, Kiko.
Are you back?
No, he's a copy guy.
Yeah, it's an alien.
AI.
An AI.
Yeah. I'm back from the depths of hell.
I really believe you were in depths of hell.
I was, bro. It's fucking awful.
The mental battle.
Oh, man. Shit was not a vibe.
It's not more max for a stop loss, mate. It's a toilet, Mr. Toiler pit train.
I thought like I was just having a bit of like, I was just like struggling a little bit. Like I didn't think it was going to be that bad, and it just got worse and worse. I'm like, oh my god, I couldn't sleep.
But you know the reason?
I think I've got salmonella poisoning.
Oh.
Yeah.
The other day you sent a photo. You're feeling like sick. You're looking like a Justin Bieber with the hair.
Oh yeah, that was funny. That the hair was like blonde. Yeah, I had to insure Caitlin on my car to drive me home because I was not gonna make it. Fucking shitting in that car.
Well, we stopping the highway and clean the ass with the sock.
Yeah.
I do this before, man.
Rough, man. It's rough, boy. It's rough. So, nice little push at the end there. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Now you just gotta go for it. Doing these GJ styles. I wanted to get in, but close to the hourly. So maybe wait for the hourly. Oh, 12 pips. Very nice, Harry. I think, yeah, maybe next runners to like, even like 600 maybe. 600. Had to take a 7-hour steeper bush and ask them to stop so many times. Oof. That's rough. In a sell at 172, 890. 890. Oh, you got the break of that low. Yeah, I think I would have gone in like 905 there. 905, stop loss would have been like 173, and then yeah.
20 pips.
Got like 12 pips there. Yeah, the retest there was good. 957.
I don't trade. My magic key blocked me, DJ.
I left it. I don't really like how the 4-hour support there. It's kind of all mingled though. I mean, you know, there is a little bit of 4-hour support there, but for the most part, yeah, the zone does fill, so it was not bad. It was not bad. Close some 1.4%. Nice, Karen. Well done. Well done, people in the chat taking.
The same move happened yesterday. I took the buys back up yesterday as well.
On GJ.
Yeah, you see,
Shit.
see those green candles to the left? There was a 30-minute seller. Yeah.
There?
No, not yet there. Yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
Keep going.
Yeah, that retraced well. All down here was support as well, so was there any W's down there?
Mr. Francisco. What happened, Francisco? You don't say hello to your uncle?
Yeah, sorry. Hello, eh?
Man. I'm feeling bad if you don't say hello to your uncle.
How are you? How's your children?
My children looking good, man.
Oh yeah, because you're in hospital. How is she?
Yeah, he stayed 1 week in the hospital, man. But we home again, freak out again.
Did you have to pay anything at the hospital?
No, I don't pay because I have a fucking good insurance.
Oh, nice.
I don't pay nothing, but I need to give you like 1,000 for because his internet. He's going to the hospital in the weekend, and the insurance don't authorize in the weekend, just in the.
Oh.
Sorry. He's not authorizing the weekend. You know.
Okay.
Because it's close, but they need to give it to the hospital 1,000. He don't give me back again. he give me back maybe 1 more week.
Guys, can I go through this? I'm just going to go through this GJ one here just to make sure you guys. This is a deformed W one, but I think in terms of the structure, it looks quite good. So,
you guys don't have insurance, medical insurance?
Mine's free.
You don't have, Max?
Mine's free, brother.
Where is this? It's free too?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is perfect, man. If you have some surgery or something, broke some hands or something, and all free.
So guys, so this GJ was at support on this left hand side here. Okay, so it happened at 11 o'clock on I think yesterday, maybe. Yeah. So made a beautiful W, right? It's a bit of a deformed one, but it's still nice, right? There's the low, there's the high. First of all, look at untested areas nearby. Well, this one here broke below. We've already retested it on the neckline, so that's fine. That's mitigated, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so that's our two main rules. Getting in on the retest would mean, getting around these areas that might have got you in. Stop loss would be below this right shoulder, this right support. Now, where would targets be? Someone mark on the chat, where would the target be? I can see one right now. Where would be like the overall target? Well, there's two. Where would be the targets for this W? All I'm looking at is untested, retested, all that kind of stuff.
71, 100.
So I'm looking. Yeah. So
7,300.
Yeah, 73. So I think
7,200 maybe.
So this one here, yeah, TP1, I agree. I think here it would be nice, it's a candle before push down. I think this is quite a good level to take TP1 off there. TP2 for me is probably going to be this one here. Okay, that's a little interruption candle. We normally find resistance there. Guess what happened? We rejected there, so that would have been TP2. Okay, and then TP3 would be here. This is the candle before the push. This is like an order block. This should be TP3 when we come into this zone here. So that was nice, man. TP1 would have been there, TP2 would have been there, TP3 would have been there. Basically doing that whole move. So nice. Very, very good. Last month end we got in drawdown. This month 4.2% and recovered, lost 2. Beautiful, Karen. Well done. A lot of people in the group are, this is why, especially going through, miraculously our new setups, but also just refining them and talking them together. Everyone else is really learning from them, and everyone's popping off, man. What I wanted to do, because what I realized was that the group as a whole was doing well, but for the most part, a lot of people weren't taking their own trade. They were just taking mine. And obviously, if I'm away or the price action's a bit choppy or whatever, it's quite hard to take trades and people are just sitting there. But with this new kind of setup we've been doing, because we've done it from scratch, everyone has been learning this new setup together. People have got the confidence to do it because they've done sims with me, they've done the back testing, they've done the all of the webinars with me together, they've got the data to click themselves. And now when I go on to the chat every single day, there'll be loads of people just taking trades, bosh every single day, and they'll be getting the same moves, they'll be taking the same moves as everyone else. I look at this, the fake outs yesterday, everyone took them, just look at it at certain levels. And then some people may be doing ones that didn't work out. How could they have improved? And then obviously everyone gives feedback. It's a great place to be. Very, very nice. Yeah, how did you guys get into this GJ bias? Take a look.
You guys want to jump in this GJ bias?
They've got in on like order blocks or whatever. Hey, you're too late now. Let's take a look.
I look in GJ and my stomach start freaking out.
Yeah, that's quite a nice one.
I look in GJ, I start feeling like a max last days.
Start feeling unwell.
Oh Lord. How did you know the gold buy was a fake out yesterday on NYSC?
He don't know. He just jump.
Oh, in NYSC, let's take a look.
Yeah, that one. Both ones. They're up.
They weren't really a fake out because they didn't really close above, but
Yeah, because I was in buys as we broke the high. We came like 7 pips in profit, and I went break even, and I got break even, but then it faked out because the 5-minute closed back in the range, bro.
I bet you're buzzing then. I bet you're happy with your break even.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
But I don't I took the sales back down as well.
And you take profit?
Yeah, I took profit.
You love it. I lose. I give to the bank 50 pips.
Yeah, nice. You were in earlier for buys, right?
Yeah, I make a fucking good trade yesterday. I'm holding 15 pips, and he go back like a crazy bitch and break even.
But did you secure?
No, I don't secure it. I'm waiting for the 100 pip trade again. I'm 72. My 72 never touch amounts.
Damn. I swear Max hourly wicks are nasty. Sometimes they retrace the whole body to make a wick, then head into our direction. Holy, yeah, that's why I gotta wait for them. They can be quite aggressive. Still waiting on Goldie to do something, but yeah, it's not looking the nicest.
Too many drift with the new Golf, Kiko.
Too many drifts. He's drifting.
Kiko don't look. He doing drift with the new car.
I'm gonna quickly go make myself a cup of tea. It may not help my bowels, but it'll be warm and nice. Oh fuck it. For 2 minutes.
Let's go into the toilet.
Finally hit a PR yesterday on gym. I benched 90 kg, 5 sets of 5, while in TJ buys.
Well, yesterday I just make a fucking huge communicate with the chat GBP.
Yeah? You guys had a talk?
Yeah, I'm doing well.
What did you discuss with him?
I wanna create a SaaS. You know what is that?
Yeah, I know. My friend does that.
Really? Are you doing well?
It's he has like 2 clients at the moment. But he's only been doing it for like 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think here in Portugal is like a virgin in this area.
Yeah, but the thing is, in Portugal, you need to choose the right industry, because people are a bit too shy to waste money, to spend money in Portugal.
I wanna for sailors. I want something for sailors, like a easy communicate for making emails or something like that, just for sailors. And just introduce the fucking tema. The IA just make everything for you.
Yeah.
And just want to create and sell quickly.
Okay, I'm going to turn my PC on and look at the charts. I haven't even fucking looked at the charts.
How you work doing, Nico? Good?
Yeah, man.
Your boss?
I only have to go in on you know what happened? So I left work to go work out. But my gym is next to my job, so I came back in like a tank top. But no one noticed I went to the gym, so everyone was like, "What the fuck, bro? You're fucking massive." But I didn't tell anyone I went to the gym, because or else I'd be like, "Why are you working out while you're supposed to be working?"
Well, he tell you that?
No, he didn't see it.
Okay. Yeah, but you need to be careful.
Yeah.
Because maybe he wants to work out, or he can't. And he don't want the other ones do what he can do.
Yeah.
Just if you start a friendship with here and say, hey, there's nothing to do here, let's go work out.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about. Maybe I could like train him, and then
let's play something or training in the lunchtime.
Exactly.
You
know what I like, Eloy? When gold is ranging for Asian session.
Man,
that's my favorite thing.
Why, in the night?
Yeah, when it ranges at Asian session, because I know when we start breaking out, we're gonna push hard.
Yeah, but how many pips he push? Like a 20 pips, 30 pips.
Asian session was 40 pips. The total. That's nothing for a gold.
It's nothing, man. It's like a ping pong with short table.
Yeah.
With a half table.
Yeah. What I do like is how gold closes. Still close bullish on the daily. So.
Okay, but you trade 1 minute?
No.
You know what? When it's like that, sometimes I trade like a minute, kind of.
Oh yeah, I always get fucked on the 1 minute, to be honest.
And I make the lines that you see before, I think, my graphic.
Yeah.
Just play inside to these lines. Tuk, 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 tuk. But I don't do this for a long time right now.
I saw you liked Calm FX's thing. He was also playing ping pong.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely start over trading and get emotional if I did it.
Man, you know, I do overtrade for many years. And I just, when I have a big loss, I start learning. Because overtrade, man, you just make profit and give it back the fucking profit.
Yeah, I had 2 days ago. I lost quite a bit of profits. Just started overtrading, man. Fucking, I thought I had it under control, and then you don't even like realize you're overtrading. Like, it just happened, and you're like, fuck, I'm already like 3% down.
3%?
Yeah, but
This is a lot, 3%
yeah,
down.
man. Yeah,
But
but I made it back yesterday, but
yeah, okay, you're making back. All right,
but
perfect.
it's not.
But
It
what do you
wasn't. It
do
wasn't
again?
good.
You wanna play again the 3%?
Yeah, I always risk 2%. To be honest, I risk always 2% per trade.
You know, my account is 100 now. No.
Yeah, but I have my account is like 5K. So yeah, it's 100 euros if I risk 2%.
Okay, but tell me something. What is your like the what's your goal for the week?
I don't really have like I don't set a goal. I just try to be profitable every week.
My goal for the week is 2.5. If I make 2.5, I just start keep a small trade.
Mm-hmm.
Just
I don't know who's. Are you looking at this W Max on GJ?
Yeah, but what's the main issue? So look here, W
Oh yeah,
down.
we haven't
We
really
haven't
tapped
retested
this.
there. It's too small. Yeah.
Okay.
Too small. Easy. Man, I'm getting quick fire with these motherfuckers now, man. I don't need to think about them much, which is good. It means I can just click them when I need to. Yeah, that
Hello,
one.
how many years have you been trading?
Sorry.
How many years have you been trading?
Wow, I think like 7 years already. You know.
Damn.
Yeah, but no in forex because I do it like for a couple of years when I start binary option.
Yeah.
The binary option give me a lot of money, bro. Maybe I think I make 50K in 1 year.
Nice.
And I like a binary option finish here in Portugal.
Are you funded already on your yeah? Are you funded?
I found it.
Okay.
Nice. I found it in my forex funds for a while. Now I'm following TMT.
TMT.
TFT.
Yeah, the gold celery.
TFT.
TFC.
But I think I do in forex for 4 years, you know. And I just when I alone, no, I just trading gold. And I think I meet Max when 2 years Max in the group. I know I'm on vacations for a while. But okay, 1 year, 2 years, how many? Maybe year and a half.
It's too long.
Year and a half, and I think this group is a fucking amazing group.
Look at this Goldie, man, just pumping down. Bro.
Yeah.
It's one
you know what I liked about it? I just saw it now. Even though you're in a range and you don't have clean, you had like a support there. You had like a big 30-minute rejection, plus you had a big top wick on this 30-minute, plus you're breaking the 4-hour lows while you were ranging on the Asian session.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I would have closed below previous as well. Yeah, it was alright.
12 pips. 12 pips. Yeah, but it's not that nice, to be honest. Like,
Nah, it's not. You know what I mean? It's like one of those things that, yeah, wow, it's pushed up. You know, but it's even the zone as a whole is just not a lot of stuff going on.
you better go to the gym today, Max.
I'm definitely not. I still.
Oh, yeah?
Shit myself. Yeah, I'm still sitting in bed for another day.
If Max go to the gym, he poop in the gym.
I actually will. Yeah, like,
Just in the sauna, just fucking.
I'm not fucking.
Maybe you need to go in the sauna to just sweat it out.
Oh no, I need to relax, man. I'm literally sitting on here all day and I'm playing fucking CS:GO whilst I'm looking at the
Oh, I
charts.
miss playing CS:GO, man. Oh,
I've been bashing it
is this?
recently.
Is a video game play?
Yeah.
yeah, man. CS:GO is so nice. Like it's so satisfying.
Yeah.
But what is that? This PlayStation? Xbox,
It's like
what?
no, it's on the computer.
PC.
It's like, let's say it's like Call of Duty, but in terms of like you don't regen, and it's like
tactical.
in terms of damage, it's more realistic.
Yeah, it's like tactical and like you can't just run out in the open. You'll just get fucking domed straight away. Like you gotta know what you're doing. Max, try Rocket League less way. Nah, I like the sweat, man.
Hey Max, you know these microphones?
Uh huh. Oh, what is it?
It's
Jabra.
Jabra.
I've heard of that.
Look.
Ah, it's Bluetooth.
That one is sick. I gambled in the poker game the other day,
Ah, yeah.
and I go back with that, and the camera that I show you. I tell the guy, I say, hey, you lose 2 times already. If you wanna recuperate, I stay in the table. Go home, bring whatever you want. I'm here for you.
This gold was nice. It's gonna potentially fill to 1958 637.
I don't sell
Yeah.
gold. I'm waiting for the buyer
Yeah.
because I know he play around. Maybe he go more down.
But I've seen this happen so often. Like we range free Asian, and they just push through London.
Yeah.
It was also the 4-hour breaking the previous 4-hour lows.
Yeah. Thing is, though, Ollie did that on the previous candle as well, like there. So she's it's whatever. It's whatever. I realised we don't take celeries no more. Is there any reason? Well, the zone needs to be clean and it needs to make sense, and it needs to be closing below, not like at a support.
Celery is probably like my favorite move.
Yeah, I like it when it's in a new zone, but here it's just at a support. Like, I'm not fucking taking it there. Yeah, two 5-minute candles of push with volume, but before that, there's no confirmation for me at all for sales there. Why is it
Pushing P.
no, still pushing B. This made sense to me. Good. Glad it did. Can
Awesome.
you turn the Zoom mics down, please? They're louder than you. Carlo, I've already done that, bro. I've put them down, man. I can see how loud they are. I've already done it. I wanted to take it too, but the 15 open was unfortunate for me. Go to work. Yeah. Oh yes. So we just gotta wait really here to get to our next zones, and that's all we gotta do. Patience. That GJ one was maybe okay, especially how it closed there. Top wick flip. But there's 8 minutes left for the hourly. I fancied waiting maybe for the hourly a little bit. Goal range between 1955 and 1967. I'm staying away. Yeah. These just 2 5-minute candles have just started pushing. My fucking teeth are killing me. Yeah, that filling that I got recently. The guy is clearly missed something because it's sensitive now. It's like, oh really? To go back and get it done again. For fuck's sake. That is the biggest pain in the ass.
Is there any news today, guys?
In terms of news, there's news later on.
Nothing special.
No. Nothing too special.
I believe gold's gonna move like that this week. Maybe he go to 47. What do you think, Mr. Toilet?
47's a long way away. Same thing as I always say, Alohe, it needs to get below here first, then it needs to get below here first, and then 43 would be making sense, yes.
I know, but he never coming back to the gulp.
You never getting what?
You know, my graphic showed me some gulp. I wanna.
Gap.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
He never.
Oh, there's a little gap. Max, would you consider a 5-minute W in GJ? No, because you still haven't came and retested this level yet. So price, the next untested area is there, and therefore, you know, it's too close. Too close. If it hits it and then, you know, comes back down, then comes back and closes above, then yeah, I would, because it's been mitigated then. I would look at that. Oh yeah, you do have a gap, yeah. Yeah, I mean, if it gets below there, it should fill it. That'd be good. Also good confirmation for more cells that we can take later on. Nearly 200 people already, 60 people giving it a like on the stream as well. Amazing stuff. Thank you very much, guys. We back in business. We back in business. Yeah, this candle's just beautiful, you know, pushing down quick, but isn't much for me to take. I mean, there's no closure below any of these supports. It's just one big candle, you know.
You live in Barcelona, no, David?
In Valencia.
In Valencia. How is the weather up there? Fucking good.
Yeah, really good actually.
Oh, man.
Not too hot some days, but still.
Too hot.
Valencia is beautiful, bro. You don't walk and you see many flowers in the street. Different kind of color.
What do you say about closing 50% and loss or closing full? I don't really like closing 50%. I just think it's... I just don't. I'd rather just close full.
For the people in YouTube, guys, you guys need to subscribe and be part of the
like
GOOO.
and subscribe, boy. It is what it is.
Don't be a cook.
Don't be a cook.
Don't be a cook.
Oh,
Just
my
fucking
abs are so
subscribe.
sore. Oh God, man, this salmon. I wonder if it actually is salmonella. You know, man. I'm gonna have to go to the
You know,
toilet
this
soon.
this group is not only a group for trading; it's a network group.
Yeah, we all help each other out, man. It's all positive vibes. There's never any negativity in our groups, ever. I've been in some people's FOREX chats and they're like,
Oh, I see a
arguing
nice
with people
photo.
and shit.
Nice photo. The Max in the toilet. I said you want you for motivate you to.
Where's that one with the blonde hair? Wait.
Oh my God, the Justin Bieber hair.
That's me dying.
Oh my God, man. You're like a devil.
I'm fucking
Look at
ill,
this.
bro.
This guy's feeling sick, but he going to the barber shop.
Yeah, it looks like I got
Painting the hair.
blonde highlights over here.
This is a cock
But we
hair.
put all our
man.
dogs
This is
in.
this is a cock hair, bro. Look at
Cute. That one is cute, I'm not gonna
Oh, man,
lie.
this is a stone dog.
Oh. Someone's in the gym.
Look at the Brazilians in the gym.
If you leave like message this as well, Dustin and everyone, I'll go for you today. I'll go for it.
Brian is not manifesting the chat because he's already counting how many pips he take this month.
Oh yeah, we did some family games, like family sports games, and obviously I'm competitive as fuck. Like I'm gonna have to win every single one of them games, and 2 I did. Apart from a throw, which I did wrong. I think I would have won if I actually threw it properly. But we did a running race. Man, I smoked everyone. Don't try with me.
Well, what you play here?
Like it was like a cross country little run around like this park. And I smoked everyone. And guess who came second, right? Guess who came second? I look behind me, obviously I've got some time, man. I'm just chilling. And I'm looking like, why my dad is literally gonna be second. Like he's like nearly gonna beat my auntie. And like, holy crap, my dad is like hasn't ran in years and he's got sandals on. And yeah, he
Never
came
do
second.
a marathon?
Have I ever run a marathon?
I not.
No, I haven't.
But it's 44 kilometers, no?
Yeah, 26 miles, is it? That dad power, bro, yeah. And then one of the little lasses, like, it's my nephew? No. Uncle? Wait, I don't know. But anyway, she was getting pissed off because her team was losing. Like, yeah, you're not on the right Simpsons. Much better.
I think someone asked you something in the chat about for what don't sell gold below 56.
What? Where?
Oh no, I see.
Oh, can you explain why you don't like sells below 56? I mean, they're not bad if you get a nice closure. The reason is obviously you've just got this wick and you've got the support actually. If you actually look at it in terms of the left hand side, you've got the support until here. So as long as your closure, can you see like that's where we normally tap, and you can maybe put it like there actually. Right, so knowing that this could be the level of rejection next, all you got to do is go, right, okay, there's some rejection wicks there as well, which isn't the nicest, but if you get a closure, make sure that the stop loss is less than 26 pips, and then yeah, you can go for it. So yeah, you can. So I'll write that on for you. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to go shit myself, for fuck's sake. So how long we got left for this candle? Okay, I'm still pumping. Got half an hour left for 8 o'clock, so that'll be nice. Right, I'm gonna have to go to the toilet. I'll see you guys in a bit. Goal is just pumping
Let's go,
down.
man.
Fucking hell, man.
Goldie, why you going without me? That trade was nice, man.
What trade?
The gold sell.
You take it?
No. I didn't even see it because I was being a lazy fucking idiot.
I think I promised for me. I don't want to take sell gold.
Fucking Brian again.
I'm doing well.
Did you see what Brian did?
Yeah, but it's Brian, Mr. Gold, no wrong. He's doing GJ.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uncle Brian.
Yeah, Uncle Brian.
Uncle Brian, the Mr. Gold.
No, he's Mr. Trading. Like, bro, how the fuck do you take a buy here?
You know what I do.
Yeah, I think what he did is like he took the buy and then fucking had the stop loss below the other low.
You never see Brian trade NASA?
No, man.
Oh, talk. Brian's crazy.
It's good.
It's good. It's good.
Still, do you think we're gonna come around the low, and then maybe we could get like a rejection of it?
I don't sell gold because my good trading is only buy.
You know what I don't like about the buys anymore is that we came more into the range, which means the range is smaller now.
But you see that if you wait for the right moment, all the time that you wait for the right moment to buy gold is 100, 200 or more.
Yeah, you are right.
You know,
Would you take buys from 1956, 1957?
What if I sell?
No, would you take a buy off the support?
I buy the other day.
No, today. So let's say we come down to 1957. If you start closing bullish, would you take buys?
I really don't think. I think he go down like a more like 51, 47.
If I find a W at 57, I'm taking buys.
Yeah.
Sure. Because that is also
And we have some news too.
hourly support.
Your microphone is so down today, man.
Really?
Really? Like your voice is like a fluffy voice.
Really? Remember that we have all the news moving as no reaches. Yeah, it's true. Fucking hell, gold, man. I hate it when it does moves like this. Just like, 1 5-minute candle just sets it loose. But
Yeah.
it's still in this zone. I mean, it's not really a zone I wanted to play in anyway, so I'm not missing anything. Yep.
We're like in the 100 pip range. We're like in 1955 to 1967. That's like the range we're in.
Yeah. Yes, sir, ski. Oh, did anyone see the new Spider-Verse movie? I need to go watch it. Spider-Verse.
I watched Focus.
Come
You know
on,
that movie?
Max wanna see the Power Ranger.
It got 9.1, bro. 9.1. Like, yeah.
What, million views?
No, 9.1 out
rating.
of 10 IMDb. That's a very good rating.
Yeah, this is new one or is a little bit?
Yeah,
older?
new one just came out. Yeah, Miles Morales.
Yes, gold. Thank you.
Oh my god.
You take it?
I'm
Man,
just thanking. I'm just being grateful.
there you go.
Thank you
Playing
for
around.
moving. Thank you for moving. How much?
Thank you for
55
moving
pips out of nowhere.
60 pips to nowhere.
Yeah, but I see this happen so often, man. To be honest.
How would you have taken that sell though? Yeah, I wouldn't have. It's not a sell I want to take. Yeah, break is low here, great. How do you know that it's gonna break this support? How do you know it's gonna break any of this? It's just going with luck. I don't think that was a good.
You don't know if he broke. He's a lucky.
Oh yeah, it hasn't closed.
You know, this trade you never know. Maybe now he go back up, poof, like a bitch.
Yeah, but something I've seen Raja do a lot is like expect the volume to start pushing. So maybe you wouldn't take the celery, but maybe you would take the break of 1962. Do you know what I mean? It's as you have clean candles, then back down to 1961, and then potentially to break down even lower.
You anticipate volume to break these ranges, yeah, but the main thing of that message is that you anticipate volume. You only anticipate volume when you start seeing volume come in. The only thing you had for that is what, a 5-minute bearish closure like that. You know, it's
always
you can't
small,
anticipate.
this
You can't just go, oh, I anticipate volume to come in. No, you fucking hope. You know, it's nothing. For me, that move like that, I was like, yeah, great, wow, whatever. If there was an M at the top, I would have taken it. Was there an M at the top? No. It might have been. Little one. Was that a res as well? It wasn't the nicest M, but.
Was that 40 pips? Stop loss.
Oh, my wisdom tooth's killing me.
Jesus, man, there's always something happening. There's always something.
I know, man. I'm just in death's door, man. Dude.
I feel unstoppable last couple of weeks.
I
feel like unkillable, to be honest.
I got wrecked.
I've been on creatine again, bro. Oh my days, man!
Yeah.
I forgot how it feels like.
I know, it's good shit. I'm missing
Did
the
you know
gym, man.
it's like the best supplement.
Yeah.
It's the best supplement you can. It's the most tested as well.
Yeah.
Just not in terms of muscle mass, but for your brain, it's really good.
Yeah.
I suggest anyone listening to this to start taking creatine.
Yeah, boy.
If you don't train,
it's still good. It's still good for your brain.
You've got to, but you've got to make sure you have a lot of water with it. You don't just take it because you'll get kidney stones if not.
but what the creatine, what did he give me? He gave me one Moscow, he gave me what?
It holds. I don't even know how to explain it in Dutch actually.
Holds more water in your muscles.
Aguenta, água fica no teu músculo.
This is good for fuck.
Makes your cock massive.
You suck like a spider.
Like a spider? And what about a spider fucking?
You see this one here that people may have like looked into, like retested and rejected. So just always remember that. Yeah. You taking trades with this week, Max? No, I've been missing in action, man. I still am, to be honest. I think taking 3 days off like is rough, but yeah, I'm here. I'm not here really much in my head. I'm still dying really, but it is how it is.
Hey, Max, when you're sick these last 3 days, you are in home or you are out?
I was at home, yeah. I was literally in this bed next to here. I wasn't even sleeping in Caitlin's.
You're lucky.
I'm lucky. Why?
Oh man, imagine that you are traveling. You know, you need to take a shit.
Oh no, I was.
Toilet.
I was on Saturday and Sunday.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what? You're going to the toilet like a Peter Park?
I love where you get these analogies from. Very creative.
What?
You get these things that you save that I would never think of saying.
Man,
you're very unique.
You know what's happened? I'm being
smoking too much.
Too early in the street.
In the streets. Have you seen that new Apple thing?
Oh, bro, that's insane.
Looks cool, eh?
Yeah, insane, bro.
It's insane. We are here. We are in the future now. We are
What is
Black
it?
Mirror.
Is it?
Bro,
They
you
haven't
don't
even-
need a TV.
You
I
don't need a TV?
I'm just gonna open Trading View with the fucking glasses on, take trades. Come on. 5 minutes scalping.
They
How
haven't
much
even-
is
All
it?
of us were thinking the same thing. I'm trading view already. Yeah.
Bro, I will see every move, believe me.
They haven't
How
even put it on the
much-
store
How
yet.
much is this shit?
Interesting. How much was it? It's expensive, bro.
3,500.
Like,
I don't give a fuck. 3,500, I'll
3,500.
pay.
300?
3,500.
3,000. Yeah.
3,500. 3,500, yeah.
For fucking sunglasses?
Like an- that's
Oh
like
my
an
god,
accurate-
man. I wanna buy in China and take the stickers off.
Bro, Aloe, go watch on YouTube.
I don't
Yeah.
want money. Forget
They are
it.
like
No, go
VR
watch it.
glasses, but it's for
VR,
fucking
yeah,
stuff.
yeah. Like,
I watch
it's not
Bro,
really
did you
glasses,
see-
like goggles.
Did you see that you can watch a movie, can make it big, but then you can also do everything around you. So let's say you're in the kitchen, you could put a background that you don't even see that you're in the kitchen. You're like in the middle of the
Yes.
jungle.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
cool.
like you can walk in the street and watch a porno.
Yeah, that was the
That's
first
exactly-
thing people said at my job, because I told them my job that we need this shit. I need it.
Man, this is not good. This is for the people don't work.
Creatine, I used to be addicted. What? You can't get addicted.
Yeah, man.
How can you get addicted to creatine? It doesn't do anything. You only get addicted to stuff when it does something to your brain. It doesn't do fuck all.
I'm addicted to drinking water from them.
I'm addicted to shitting on the toilet at the moment.
Man, I shit 3 times already. I think that you sent me the virus by email, man.
Ah.
At least you're not alone, Max.
London session. Max just 1%.
Bro, waiting. The only trade that you could have maybe taken was the cells, but I was kind of pushing out, waiting for the hourly to close. But...
$3,000 for a fucking sunglasses.
Hello, you need to go watch the trailer.
I wanna watch the trade, but I don't know.
Just go on YouTube and try Vision Pro Apple and watch it. And believe me, it's worth the money.
No, I know, but it's too expensive.
I saw a conference, the conference, like someone recorded it, and then when they did the price, everyone was like, "Oh!" It wasn't like a boo, it was just a gasp. Everyone was like, "Oh my god!" Fucking
Yeah, to be honest with you, yeah. For that level of thing, 3,500, of course, is a lot of money. Like,
Hey,
But do you know why?
people,
Do you know why they've done that? Because they've put so much into it that it is actually very expensive. But they don't want consumers to buy it. The actual event was for developers. They're getting developers early access for it, and then the next one, hopefully, if they make means of this one and it goes all to plan, the next one will be customer friendly, be much cheaper. So that's
but
what's
did you see you need to have a wire, but you can have it with a power bank.
No, you need the power bank on it. There's a lot of issues with it, right? You got the power bank, that's fine, like a little wire, that's fair enough. The power bank, it lasts 2 hours charge. 2 hours. It's fucking nothing. 2 hours is literally like nothing. The power bank is tiny as well. I'd rather have a bigger one and have a bit more juice in it. Like fucking hell, you're already carrying it anyway.
Yeah, but can you like have it on the switch, like that you're, let's say that you are like on like a electrical cord instead of having on a power bank the whole time?
No.
I think you only have to have it on
the
a power bank when you want to move with it.
No, you need the battery. You need the battery. It's got an M2 chip in, man. It's not like a little fucking flimsy like Oculus. Like it's got a full computer in it. Like it needs powering the whole time. Yeah. What do you say, Max, about creatine and hair loss? I have no idea. I don't know why people get so vexed about why do people get so scared about hair loss now? Like all you gotta do is go to fucking Turkey for like $1,000 and you get one. Like, it's like, save up for one. I don't know why people get really,
I think it's even cheaper, like for 3 or 2 grams, you get it done.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You can get all the VR thing, or you can go get your hair fixed. Choose.
Hair loss is a vibe. Brian, fucking talking about hair loss.
Hey, Kiko. Hey, Kiko, you can change your car for shoes and glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what if I was to buy those glasses, I would definitely become more antisocial and just not go outside.
Exactly, man. You don't talk to anybody.
I'll just be watching Max's simulations on the fucking thing. Full maxed out, just like.
But that
In 3D.
that is good, man, because you can do everything that you want around the day and watching all the things with one eyes and do the other things with the other eyes.
They're ugly. I think they look quite cool.
But
I think they're pretty comfy, to be honest. They look comfy.
Some people here in the chat say that he's very ugly.
So yeah, I mean, this is the thing with the Goldie here. As I said, I'm not really too asked about the sells here. I've just done it for people that they can go for it. But there's loads of wicks here, and also we've already moved quite a lot. So it's like,
I would not take those sales.
yeah,
Never.
it's also a big support. So I'd rather wait until we get maybe a W there. Yeah, we got a big move here, but then I can get most of it down in 1952. That's the area I want. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 1952. And just wait for maybe a W here, because we're at support now. You know? I'm going for everything. So yeah, I hope you guys have had a nice week so far. It's been decent. Yeah, I've been sitting, basically shitting my guts out and then playing CS:GO. That's what I've been doing the past 4 days. Well,
You're definitely gonna be that guy that's gonna ask the team to save when you have to go to toilet.
What's your rank? Well, I ranked really low at the start, like one of the lowest you can get, but I'm getting up now. I'm nearly Nova now.
Ah, that's cool.
I think I'm one off Nova now.
Bro, I wish I had a gaming PC. I could play with you.
Yeah, man. That's the thing. We need to get a good team going. I wonder.
You know what the thing is, yeah? I don't want to get a gaming PC because I feel like I'll be too comfortable and I'll spend a lot of my time just fucking playing. Because I love fucking CS:GO. Like,
Yeah, but is that showing that you don't have much discipline? You gotta get that on.
exactly. Will I skip gym more due to it? Probably. To be honest with you, I'm a fucking beast at the moment. I'm at my best shape ever.
I wish I
Just
was.
don't
I
wanna-
was doing so well as well, and this fucking bug ruined me.
And the longer you don't work out, the more you have to work back.
I know, so I gotta go soon, but man, I can't. Like right now, I've got the worst cramps in my belly right now, and also my asshole's about to run again. Like,
And I
fuck's sake.
feel so lazy to work out.
Actually,
You just have to get into it, and then when you're in it, it's hard to get out of it.
Yeah.
I'm actually still playing COD. I remember the last time I played with you. I haven't actually. I'm pretty sure I've installed it. I don't know. I've just lost the thing in it. My main go-to now is Dead by Daylight and CS:GO as well.
Max, what's your favorite map on CS:GO?
It's starting to change now because I'm starting to learn all the smokes. I know all of the smokes on Mirage for terrorists, so that's quite fun now because our whole group know all the smokes. So we just like, if we want to go A, we literally smoke A ramp, CT, stairs. And it's fucking easy to go on.
I've definitely forgot all the smokes and everything.
But my favorite map still is Inferno. I love going down Banana.
Inferno?
And getting my fucking AWP and just absolutely blowing. Yeah, I played last night with my mate, and I think I was on like fucking the first half. I was on like 20 kills and like four deaths. I was just sitting down there blowing their heads off, man. It's sick. I love the AWP.
I like Cash. That's my favorite one.
Yeah, Cash is the new one. I do like that one. It is good.
You training legs, Kiko? Or you are these guys that only train the top?
No, I have massive legs. My legs are probably my strongest thing.
You're not gonna lose much progress. Don't worry. That's good then. Muscle doesn't.
I
break
think
down that easily.
my weakest thing is probably with chest, but we're getting there. Finally, took some time, but
Some guy in the chat. Max squatting and creating a mudslide in the gym. Oh my god, that'd be horrendous. If I did fucking squats today, that would not go down.
if you did squats today,
Hell,
lean on
hell no.
I'm gonna go work out with this girl on Thursday. Legs. She thinks she can hang. She can't.
Nice choice. Nice choice.
Yeah.
But
So there's a great example of that, right? Literally said if you tap here, you're gonna have an issue. So don't take the W here from the game. Gotta always remember that. Some people sent me one as well on Instagram. I'll see if I can find it. Someone sent me one. He's like, should I take this one? I'm like, no.
Hey, that
Please.
photo's cold on your Instagram.
I can't find
The middle one.
Cheers, brother. I have to find it, but yeah, just be careful which ones you take.
Hello, when I come to Portugal, we're gonna go work out, yeah?
Yeah, we can do a different kind of like running, drink beer.
And then we'll go play poker.
I just play when I have money in the pockets.
Mm-hmm.
Would you be looking at taking a W on goal, Max? Yep. Maybe one. But it'll be much later on, you know. It needs to make a high first upload. It's still bearish right now. It's still interesting. But yeah, you know, if I got a nice one here with a strong, you know, probably like a bullish close there, yeah, I'm gonna take this.
I think I go to your town these next weeks, Kiko.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think I go to Algarve.
Ooh, must be nice.
Yeah, for a week, like a 20.
I was supposed to go to Afro Nation, which is in Faro, in July. Yeah, July of June.
Yeah, I think I go Albufeira because I have some friends up there. They wanna give me some apartment to stay.
Yeah. Nice.
I go to like 22 to 27.
Nice. How are you going with car?
Yeah, we got.
How long is it drive from Porto to Albufeira?
Oh no, man, all day. with 2 kids in the car all day, man.
Fucking hell.
But
maybe you should buy the glasses and just wear them while driving.
It's my birthday, 25.
Yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
I make 33, man.
You young motherfucker.
Do you think? I make me nervous, man. I think I wanna make 32 again.
32 is a nice age.
Ah, man, that I feeling old.
Yeah? You know why you feel old, Hello, eh?
Because I'm father too younger. Because I pay.
Because you need to focus more on your health. Believe me, the every little change that you do now, in the future, will bring you years of life.
I never focus in my health, man. In my life.
But why? Think about it. It's just
Because I do a professional career, you know, myself.
I know.
But I just think I'm like a Messi. I don't know, I'm Cristiano. I'm a Messi, man.
You're just talented.
Exactly. And I don't give a shit about the other thing.
Yeah, I can understand.
I know that because here, you know, I have many surfers around me. And the guys freak out with me because he say, "Oh, I don't come in for 2 weeks or 3 weeks already." And when I go, I kick all ass, you know. and the guys look at me and say, "What the fuck this fucking caveman do?" Because he stay a while and he come here and do the same on better.
Have you ever, what's the best, most beautiful place you've went surfing?
Tahiti.
Yeah?
Yeah. Everything's so blue, everything's so fucking paradise over there. Man.
Yeah?
It's like a Peter Pan place.
Yeah, man, that must be nice.
I gotta get myself a holiday again, bro.
Wait,
Well-
Max going to honeymoon to Bora Bora.
Nah, you're gonna spend a shit ton of money though.
I gotta
Yeah.
take some fucking M's and W's soon though, man. We gotta run this bitch up. I'm ready though now. I've had my 2 days off. Today I'm still gonna take it slow though, man. I'm still not feeling the best, but if you see some nice closures, we'll be good. Yeah, we'll be good today. Right now though, you know, I'm waiting for an M&W. Does that mean that I'm predicting one? No. Does it mean that, you know, I'm expecting one? No, I don't. You know, it is a support. It's where Price would love to make one. But, you know, this can happily still run off without me. But I just know if it does form one, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
You know,
And it
to
isn't like a no bullshit one, like where like maybe one like this is like the two lows and everyone's like, yeah, I'm taking a W now. No, it needs to be an obvious, you know, an obvious one, strong retest all the way up here. I haven't retested this level here. This is quite a spontaneous move down as well, so I like it.
Yeah, I like the idea. I have some festival in here in front of my house today. Music festival.
And I'm missing the Heartlight, man.
The Primavera sound.
Oh, Primavera.
Yeah.
Barcelona, isn't it?
It's in front. It's like 15 meters of my house.
Wow.
What is Primavera?
Primavera sound. I
Sound.
think today just play Rosalia or something like that.
There's been one in Barcelona where my friend.
Yeah, exactly. I think 2 weeks ago.
Barcelona.
I'm gonna go drive to work. Please call out if a W forms.
Will do.
Alright, in a bit.
In a bit, my man. Later, brother. We haven't retested the most recent support yet. We haven't, which is all the way up here, which is great. So that's good. GJ is fine. You know, it's as I said, the sells before were okay. In terms of the 4 hour now, yeah. I mean, if you're not in the cells already and you're not taking profits, you know, you're coming towards the wick fill there. Well, you've just filled it, so closing in these areas makes sense, right? You know, if you're in cells and you're trying to hold, you know, you're coming towards rejections. You know, it's silly not closing enough. Got it. Max, you missed them. I call in German 30. Great. I don't trade German 30, so nothing that I need to do. Nothing that I need to do. Yeah, made 10%. I actually did a withdrawal as well, which is good. I withdrew around about 30%. So now I've got like, you know, 19-20%. Obviously in terms of me, I've taken a couple more than that, so I've actually got like 25 still in the account, and then we just grow that, boy. That makes the gold nut down to 57. Yeah. See if it breaks below. I mean, it's, you know, it's got a huge support here. So look at all these candles, though. Very nice. Oh, my belly, bro. God, that's mad if I've actually had to sell another, man. Fuck. This is the last 7 days, bro. I can't do this much longer. 7 days. Normally, like bugs like this last like 2 days, you know, but it's lasting much longer. I thought I'd be fine by Monday, but like Monday morning came, I'm like, oh, and like now it's fucking Wednesday, bro. I can't sit still. Oh. It's on the seat. on one of your seats, I'm pretty sure. Kitchen. Oh man, getting another pain. I feel like I'm like pregnant. Did you take any medication? I've taken some Imodium. That's pretty much it. Might take some more paracetamol today. Maybe I should ring up the doctors. It started like Friday, Saturday night. Now it's Wednesday. That's quite a long time, isn't it? It's exhausting though. This is also a great perspective right now of just, you know, being actually ill and remembering your health is everything. Like, you can't do nothing without your health. Oh, bro. Love you. See you later. Have a great day. Bye. Love you. I heard going all in on gold maybe gets rid of salmonella. Mr. Brian, are you looking at this GJM? Sorry, W. The hourly has the only issue that I have with this W. Obviously, it's retested now, which is fine. Is that we haven't really came down to this support yet. I think the hourly support is a little bit lower, and what I've seen is that if it's not there, it's maybe a little bit too early. And can you see that now we've closed below the support? I don't know. I think it's not the easiest. Aussie 4 hour as well. 4 hours okay, but yeah, I think it's maybe a little bit not there yet. Mr. Dollar's in a gold buy over here. He's trying to predict the support, I think. Yeah, it's just waiting for that confirmation for me. I just want to be a little bit cautious, just waiting for maybe a retracement. Don't you trade oil? No. No. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed might be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread on gold, lol. Oh my god. You guys are getting all religious in this building. I was speaking to my brother and like other people and on the weekend about religious stuff. Niall, my brother, was like, he doesn't like how life has no purpose. Said that there's no answer to it, you know. He says he finds that really annoying. I'm like, that's interesting. An interesting feeling. Bye, Niall. If you are, is he older or younger than? He's younger than me. I would, yeah, these wicks here, guys, now, if you guys for some reason got into sells, I'd probably go break even. Also, the 5 minute had no bottom wick, so yeah, I mean, I'd go break even now and just hope this pushes. You can see on the 4 hour why as well that I'm not too asked about missing these 20 pips here. Because on the 4 hour time frame we have huge levels of support, huge levels of support and rejection. So just remember that. 85 likes, guys. Good turnout today. You guys have been missing me. Yeah, that could be classed as maybe a little bit of an M, but it wasn't the cleanest. But it worked out nice. I'm really religious myself, yeah. Still in Goldie. Yeah, I think this is gonna be nice NY as well, because like what we expect here, you know, is price pushing, price then retracing, finding some resistance, can maybe take the res forming, but then obviously get a closure below here. We've got a nice candle to go mirror. And the gap, where's the gap? There's a gap here. That'll be great for the gap to fill. That would be great. Yeah, even though I was ill the last 2 days, man, I was just off my phone the whole time. I was just playing my game, I was with my friends, I was just kind of relaxing, not thinking about work at all. And actually, it was very nice. I forgot how nice it was. I think I've just overworked myself recently. It's probably why I'm maybe a bit ill as well. But yeah, I put on the story yesterday. I need an editor that can work Premiere Pro, that can edit properly, that's willing to, you know, put some work in. Basically, just, you know, what I'd want is every morning after stream, I send you the video, you edit it, either a trade or like some wisdom or whatever, and then maybe one other video later on in the day just to give me some buffer. And then I'm gonna try and do more YouTube videos, and I will do more YouTube videos if someone edits for me, because I just don't have enough time, man. I'm fucking busy. Busy doing shit. You taking this for 2 minutes closure below on gold? Nah, I'm gonna leave it. I think it's pushed too much for me. And a lot of rejection here. You're gonna be in already. I'm waiting for 52. So yeah, if anyone can edit or anyone wants to learn to edit, go on Premiere Pro and just learn. But I prefer someone with already a bit of experience and knows how to do it. And then that'd be great, because it just takes time off for me, and I don't have to fucking do it anymore, because it's just more time. So if you guys do want to do that, make sure to message me on Instagram or email me stoplossmatters@gmail.com. Because I'd happily film all of the stuff for like videos and stuff, because I have quite an interesting life, especially recently. I've been doing so much shit. I'd happily record all of it. As long as someone edits it, I don't have to do that bullshit, because that just takes hours, man. Damn, Max, you know what I've learned during trading? It's that you want to enter at the start of the push. If it's pushed too much, it's done. No point entering then, right? Yeah. You know, we've already pushed huge amounts, you know. Doesn't mean it still can't continue down. It's just like, for me, you know, am I going to try and risk trying to take like 20 pips out of this last little bit of a zone, or am I going to wait for a closure below 1952 and then I've got another huge, you know, 70 pip zone, right, to 1946 there. You know, I just don't think it's worth it. I'd rather just wait for a trace later on. Oh yeah. Let me just put this back on. Editing into paint. I did a bunch in colors. Don't have the time. Sorry. It's all good, Scarlet. Don't worry. It's mainly for like what I normally want is like someone who's like new and like, you know, maybe they're at school or like something like someone. I think that's good, because they're learning something. They're doing something on the job and they're getting paid for it as well. That's sick. Kids these days, you know, that's a beautiful opportunity, you know. Beautiful, strong 15-minute closure below. It's nice. It's got a wick to fill. It does have wicks here though, as I said. So as I say, I'm just gonna wait until lower below. Low. But I've looked at where maybe I might be doing my golf lessons as well. I'm excited. I'm watching clips online. My whole TikTok's full of golf now. Ready. Still waiting for a W to form. Yeah. Well, the thing is, now that we've broken below it, now I'm not looking for a W. Because we came below it now. So we've got to wait. Ooh, thank you very much. Good. Yeah, read that. It looks so satisfying, but how long would it take? How long does it take for you to get like good at golf? Like, As in, like, you get a driver and you fucking hoof it and it goes straight. How long would that take? Obviously, it's dependent on the person, but if you actually put in, like, actual effort, you know what I mean? A lot of people just go with the lads and just play once every, like, couple of weekends. Yes! What? Oh, fucking hell. One of my mates from home is, I'm pretty sure his brother is the best in the club and he's second best. Like, so I think he's handicap. What's the best one? I think John might be a handicap 2 and he might be handicap 1. Is that how it works? I know them 2 are the best. Scratch is 0. Okay, yeah. So I think his brother will be 0 then. W on GJ, well, not yet. It's looking very, very choppy, quite wide as well. It's a proper golfer, yeah. I think he's actually just got his qualifications now as well. I think he's thinking actual pro. I play off 20. Nice. So you take 20 more shots needed for the whole 18 holes. Is that how it works again? Okay, off 20, so you hit 20 more shots. Yeah. Can you talk about the mentorship? Yeah, I don't really talk about it too much because I don't want to force it down people's throats, but mentorship for basically how we trade as a whole in terms of our strategy. I've got all the webinars going through basically how we mark up our charts, why we mark up our charts, what we're looking for to take trades, you know, X, Y, Z. And actually, I was actually going to this week and last week going to start to make the G drive a little bit more better. Obviously, I've been ill, but when I start feeling better, I'll start doing that. Because I said in June I'm going to do it. But yeah, you get access to the signals as well. Overall, the signals this year have yielded this: 68 wins, 30 losses, 28 break even, nearly 50% gain, nearly 70% win rate. And yeah, you get access to both chats. You get access to NY session. You get access to everyone. You know, we talk on a daily basis about all of X, Y, Z. You get access to simulations. We do 2 simulations a week extra. So for example, today we're going to do a simulation. You do homework bi-weekly. So we have a homework where everyone, you know, needs to go through their homework and we go through it together. What else? Yeah, signals are put in the chat. And yeah, just a good working environment, man. You know, a lot of people working hard, all talking, all helping each other, all trying to get each other to scratch. You've got access to Mr. Brian, the baldy over here, who normally explains, you know, his entries really well. And yeah, it's great. For only like £12.50 a week, it's, you know, your account's big enough, it doesn't cost too much. I really found a big difference in trading, especially in mentality issues with the mentorship. There is no way I get funded without it, 100%. So if you're +2, you have to play a par 72 and 70. Ah, okay, some people pay lower. Wow. Donvo said that traders, no socials, and anonymous with 50, 100 million on MT4 and MT5. How? What do you mean, how? What do you mean, how? What do you mean, how? Some people don't want a camera in their face. Some people don't want a camera in their face, man. Some people don't want, you know, to be on social media at all. Some people don't want hate. Some people, you know, it's pretty reasonable. You know, I've lost love with it, to be honest. Not really lost love with it, but like I don't really care. Like I don't really care how many viewers I get. I don't really care how my socials go anymore. I kind of just chill. You know, I'm doing my thing. I don't mind. It was when I was, you know, when I started off, you know, I cared that much, but now I just chill. You know. take things too seriously. There's people, yeah, I think people like that whole thing, like traders, you know, who have massive accounts and don't do social media. Yeah, every part of life there's stuff like that, and people get so like, what? Like, people are making millions of pounds from selling, I don't know, a plastic equipment, or, you know, a chair, or, you know, making, you know, people make money from everywhere. They don't need to have socials to do it. Are you Raja Bank's student? Yes, I learned from Raja on his streams. I never bought his course though, just because I found that the value he gave on streams was enough for me. You know, like I was there every single day. If you couldn't get to the live streams every day, then yeah, it made sense. But I was there every single morning, you know, through the whole of uni. So, but things do change, man. Raja's changed completely since then. So it is funny how you have to adapt 100%. Like now, there's no real clean zones, no clean candles, really. You know, it's you've got to change, you've got to adapt, and that's why, you know, we've evolved. It's why Don's evolved. It's why, you know, X, Y, Z, and people evolving. Is Dr. Dollar still in the cell? Sorry, buy. Oh yes. Raja made streams £200 per month.
What do you think, big boy?
Still waiting. I'm waiting for 52. Yeah, that's it. Looking like it's gonna push again. Probably fill that wick.
Yeah, 54.
Yeah. GJ looking awful on the 5 here. I know one guy that makes it from with a group of supporters. Yeah. Would you take a W on gold if it also faked out? I'd have to wait, yeah. I think it'd be a little bit harder just because the fact that the 15 is closed, probably bearish below now. It's not respecting it. Hello guys, if anyone needs help with passing for fucking hell, can this Daniel guy piss me off? Me too, only watching streams from Raja, you and Dombo. Ah, yeah. Max, now would it be okay to take a W on GJ? If it made a W, but there's no W there right now. And again, it's still below. I think it needs to come down here first. I think 500, then I'll start looking. Like 600, yeah. Just looking here to the left-hand side. If I had to ask someone, where is the support? If I had to ask a junior, where is the support? Well, it was there, but we've broken it. Where's the next one? Well, it's there. And we're not there yet. We haven't pushed there yet, really. We filled that zone. So I think maybe looking a little bit early. I think we still gotta wait. It's still very bearish. The price section again. Look at this. It's choppy. So there's no need. There's no need right now. Okay. Okay. A lot of people asking how to recover from a loss. How to recover from a loss. And that is a very, very fun question because it's a question that it says it all, really, right? How to recover from a loss. So you've clearly taken a loss to heart, right? Just win, lol. Someone said just win. But it's that ability to know exactly what you're doing, you know? You can take a losing trade. What you do after, you've got to be able to make sure that If it was wrong, then see why it was wrong. If you just manage risk because it was one of your losing trades in your setup, in terms of your strategy, you've got to take some losing trades, then you got to take it on the chin. You got to analyze it and then just forget about it. That's what I've been trying to do as well. Actually, thinking about it, try to just forget about it after the session. Yeah, like EJ's on support. Price action's garbage again. 1,000 pips stop loss. If you hit your max loss per day, you stop. If not, then you take a 30-minute break and wait for another trade. Yeah, but I think people are more asking about like the emotions, like how to deal with it. Like, taking a losing trade isn't the nicest feeling. How do you just get on with that? And it's just looking at the bigger picture. Do you see a correlation between Don and Don's a great example, right? If Don takes a winning trade or a losing trade, right, he doesn't really care about the outcome. What does he care about? What does he always flick to every single time he's either in a winning trade or losing trade? What does he, if he takes a losing trade, what does he really look at? What does he actually say, after his losing trade? What does he says similar words pretty much every single time. Oh, no, not that. So what he does is he'll look at his results for the year and go, that was the first loss, this month. That was, overall, that's, 87% win rate, XYZ. He looks at the bigger picture. And looking another day, another discipline, yeah, he sticks to the plan, but he looks at the bigger picture of his results. And once you do that, things don't get too worrying, right? If you take a losing trade and you're getting vexed about it, all you've got to do is look at your results, if you actually are profitable, and go, wow, I'm up 50%, I've got nearly a 70% win rate. That's a profitable strategy. That's great. The issue is when you start honing in and focusing on that one losing trade and start getting worked up about it and not thinking about the bigger picture, okay? Thinking of the bigger picture is the only thing that's going to get you from A to B, right? Take the same trade again tomorrow. Yeah, exactly, right? Just sticking to your plan, looking at the bigger picture, discipline, taking the same trade exactly as you do tomorrow. Exactly, that's what you're gonna do. So you can see that this is making a deformed W, but we're not there yet. We're too below. Don says wins don't make you, losses don't break you. Yes. Exactly. Won't be like your last W, won't be your last L. Exactly. So you've just got to get used to just taking them, man. And some could be annoying. Like the past week or so, I had some annoying ones, man. I had one that didn't go break even. I had one that ran straight to my stop loss instantly. But didn't overtrade, didn't over risk from it. I can get annoyed and get pissed off about it because it just tapped me out straight away. It didn't really give me any time to think about it. But I don't act on them. You just move on.
Look how it tapped that level perfectly.
Which one?
On gold.
30-minute just closed. So can you see how it closed below? I'm not touching this W here. Can you see there's a little W here? For me, it's still below. It's below support.
He go down.
Yeah. I'm not happy with that. Bitcoin did a fake out on the daily. I don't know no more.
Let's waiting for buy deep.
GJ kind of just lost all momentum here. GJ just died. To be fair, GJ's been slow all morning, really. No sells here? No. Already filled that wick, really. For me, it sells below 952. Going to be 30-minute wick fill. Yeah, hopefully. Maybe a little bit of a wick fill. But definitely just keep an eye out for later on. Like if we do come back above, then we come back down and make a W on here again when we're back above it. Then yeah, buys again. Would be great. So always just keep an eye. What I would do here is have this line there as a support. And now it means that like at any time on the 5-minute time frame, obviously you need to make sure it all makes sense and this is closed back above. But when maybe, let's say that price came up and then comes back down, makes a W then here, and then, you know, for me then, I'd take that buy, because that's support. But the line shows that, you know, if you start just going away from your chart and then coming back and starting to see a W near this yellow line, you know, you're going to be good. Hey, champ, hope you're doing better, man. But goal has been ranging while you've been off. Please don't be sick again, Max. It has been ranging pretty hard. I was quite happy about that, to be honest. Because normally, when I'm away, I miss the fucking best moves of the month. So I was quite happy. Finally.
The W that you're waiting for is like the same W the yesterday, correct, Max? Like afternoon.
Yeah, like later on. W is tempting now that Therman has made a bottom wick. Yeah, I'm not risking it. It's below support, but yeah, you could go for it. Hey Max, any opinion on Uncle Ted's $150 million trade domain Ponzi scheme? I haven't looked into it. I don't know.
Is the part 2 came out yet?
No, I don't think so. I still haven't watched the first one actually.
No?
No, I haven't yet. I've just been on the toilet for the past fucking 5 days. I could have maybe watched it there, but I have to focus, man. My life flashes before my eyes on the toilet. I have no time to look at Uncle Ted. It's killing me running out of days here. Oh, yeah. People on like challenges and that, and you've got the day thing and like it's ranging. That sucks, bro. See, that's why it's bullshit, bro. It's not fair on you, you know? How many times does Don have a time where there's no trades, like 4 days? It happens quite a lot. It's not rare.
Yeah, bro, but there are many companies now that offer the like no day limit thing.
Yeah. The issue that I have with them is that they're all set up so quickly, you know? They're so you don't know which one's real or not. It's just, yeah. I liked how Fun and Talent just gave me the money straight away. I didn't have to put any much effort in. That was great. I wonder if Raja is going to be... I know, that would be interesting. That would be very interesting if Raja is in. But I don't know. I think CoffeeZilla's got to be careful because he's got to make sure that it's right. Because you could sue him for what's it called, defamation of character or whatever. So you gotta be careful. And the whole thing about like the 470,000 gain, I think was a bit stupid as well. Ted kind of debunked that. He said it's about the if you do MyFX book and you start adding money in as well, it does go up in the percentage as well. It's kind of unrealized gain. GG is good. GG pushing. It's a nice strong 5-minute candle, eh? So you might be able to squeeze one out. How big will your stops be? 20 pips. go break even around like 173 probably. Yeah, for me it's not one that's obvious. It's on support, yeah, it is on support. I just don't like the candles really. Yeah, this is quite choppy, but that's a nice strong one. Looking like volume there. Not a good look for Raji though, considering he made it aware that Ted helped him with his broker in many live streams. Interesting. All mad. Well, thank you very much for subscribing, guys. Thank you so much. Makesh, thank you. 100 likes already, guys. You guys have been nice today, eh? Normally I have to beg for 100 likes. Maybe I just...
I listen some magic keys.
Yeah, maybe some magic keys and 150 likes. Oh yeah. See this Goldie? It's coming back down. Dr. Dollar needs to close. This news. How big was the stop? 36 pips. So if you got into this W, I mean it's not really a W, but you know, it says support reacting off it. 7 pips, 8 pips. Probably go break even because you're at the retest. The character that Raja plays on his stream isn't him. In real life, he's actually a very positive person. Of course he is. He just likes trolling. Max, if I'm short on gold, so it doesn't make sense to go long on GU now, right? No, they don't have much link. I think. You should know that though. If you're trading them, you should already backtest this. Gold make the W, yeah, but it's below support. I'm not playing below support. Hell no. You think I'm mad, boy? All I see here is 30-minute closure below, top wick flip. You know, but if you look in the hourly, the reason why I'm not really too interested in this, yeah, we've already filled this wick area. You know, if I want to pick levels to take positions off, I don't want to be taking positions here just because of how small the zone is and how wicky it is. I want this. Huge. Clean, clean, and clean. I want that zone. Right there. I do. Dr. Dollar taking 2 positions. Dr. Dollar.
Fuck hard in the ass. Got to clarify that last bit.
He's got an English guy on. Jeez.
This trade wasn't supposed to take this long though. I can guarantee that.
Let's give him a like. Support all fellow streamers. Who else is your favorite streamer? Who else do you guys like? Do you like King Abe? He's a funny guy, man. I like him. I think he's a G. I think he's yeah, he's just vibing. He takes a trade, hits the bong. He's just a G. I really like him. I think he's funny. The one big thing that I learned in life as well is I think people have a thing of like, oh man, like their competition. It's like, bro, I am, you know, in my own lane. The competition is, it's not competition, it's just a community, you know, London streamers all together. I feel the people that, you know, try and compete.
You know, Max, I think they wanna jump out.
What?
The gold.
Gold don't do fuck all right now.
Okay, I don't.
It's just sitting here, bro, yeah. not doing shit. He doesn't. Danny from Markets Protocol. Ooh. Enough bread for everyone. There's fucking no bread on YouTube, I'll tell you that right now. My biggest month on YouTube was like £200, bro. It pays for like fuck all. I made £38 last month. Nice. Half of them were copyrighted, that's probably why. Also, my streams, they were put down for like bad language and stuff as well, but I just can't help that, so. Yeah, you wafer takes half my money as well. So coming towards 173 there on GJ now. The stop actually there looks so much bigger. Don't you think the stop here looks so much bigger than it actually was? Like, that's actually not that bad. Only 20 pips. Up 13 pips now, definitely you'd be break even. Yeah, it was okay. Yeah. Nick Stewart is also doing great, yeah. Danny from Markets, yeah. Does Karma affect stream? I think he said he was trying. Maybe go into. It's a lot of effort though, it is. You gotta want to do it. Let's goalie rejecting. Top wick. Got 50 seconds left. This flips here. Oof. Actually, 15 minutes gonna close here as well. 40 seconds left. It's just in that little level here that I did have some wicks as well. And so many supports. But yes, the Champions League, isn't it? Oh, yes, I'm excited. Excited for the Champions League. Who do you think's gonna win? City! Well, Max, how's it going? I'm doing okay, man. Doing okay. Wow, these EJ had the W set up. This price action is awful, man. Just be careful. Inter will win. I hope City win, man, please. Hey, Maxi boy, hope you're doing good. Good to see you back. Thank you, man. Looks like people have actually missed me. I didn't think I was that missable. Look at EJ. Yeah, he just blasted him. I haven't looked at EJ recently, to be fair. Yeah, both GJ and EJ have just started pushing here. Nice. Nah, I think City are coming in for the kill. They've gotten to the final before. They've played to. They need to go with no prisoners. They need to be ruthless. They can't sit back and just hold the ball. They've got to be ruthless. I think that team is beautiful. That team has no weakness at all. It's perfect. From start to finish, that team is just amazing. So coming towards that first kind of little level here, I mean, you're getting in so low if you've got that little, obviously it's a retarded W. I would never really take that, but in terms of there, I mean, you have a good chance potentially. Yeah, getting even further up. Also above is nice. Those retarded trades. Looking for a GJ buy 173 160. Yeah, I see. Got the clean zone above. It's rejected that hard with that support, beautiful stuff. The W is just a little bit nicer. That would be nice. Very good. Max, would you say don't enter a W on a W or M if the closure above below the neckline doesn't have an upper lower width? Nah, I don't really care about that. I don't really care about that now. Not much of a care there. Oh man, I'm so ill. I can't believe this is lasting so long though, man. I need to get back to the gym, boy. I need to get back to the gym. I'm missing out on the gains. Brian trade ICT. I don't know what ICT is. Tap that left hand side, yeah, dude. Tap that retest, which is great. 173074. Very nice. Your W neckline, if it forms, is that support? Is this on GJ? Sorry, Goldie. It's still below, unfortunately for me. It's not. It's below support. It's not where I want a W. It needs to be higher above. Brian trades like a G. Lol. Fuck off, Brian. Alright, for 2 minutes. Oh. But yeah, right now I'm basically waiting for. Look at that rejection of GJ. Holy shit. Yeah, waiting for price to. Well, on Goldie, price to come back above, 1957. We're still at the moment below. We're trading below it. And GJ, yeah, I mean, I like the W's down there. There was one if you wanted to push it, but. Who's Brian? Oh god, Brian's gonna have a big head again. Brian is a big, sweaty, bald South African. Oh god, I gotta go shit myself again, guys. Sorry. Right. I'll be 5 minutes, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Hello, hey. Pendejo.
Ignoring me. Hello. Your mic is muted.
What's up? So I can drink already 3 coffee.
I smoked last night. I was fucking high when I woke up.
I really don't smoke for 3 days, I think so, or 2.
2 days is a lot for you. Huh?
Sometimes
How much is the weed there? How much do you pay for weed?
I pay cheap.
Yeah?
Yeah, I pay 380 4.
Per gram.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's good?
Yeah, we're smoking only good shit.
Have you ever been to Amsterdam?
Yeah.
Is it that level?
Yeah, it's that level sometimes.
Okay.
It's like suppose the Amsterdam is like a 10, you know, and we smoking the 7.5, 8.
I smoke more hash than I smoke.
I don't like smoke hash, bro. Smoke hash just fuck yourself, fuck your teeth.
Have you ever done a cocktail?
What?
Cocktail.
What is that?
So weed and hash together.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a cocktail.
Many
So
many
weed
times.
and hash.
You know how I smoking hash when I younger in the glass.
Yeah?
You know that you make you
Yeah,
take
I know.
you take a coin and put a little piece of hash in the top of coin.
Yeah.
Light it and the glass in the like a pug glass. Broke your fucking brain. Were you in Colombia? Sorry, the different story.
Have you ever been to Colombia, Lola?
What?
Have you ever been to Colombia?
Yeah, I've been in Colombia. I like it. I like Cartagena. I like Medellin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I traveling to Panama to see my young brother when he working up there, and I arrived in the airport and he's waiting for me. Say, man, we go to Cartagena, Colombia right now. Say, okay, let's go. And we go up there for 4 days, and I don't want to tell you nothing about.
Whatever you got up to.
I can imagine.
I can't tell you, man. Can't tell.
Too much evidence on the internet.
No internet, no cell phone, no nothing. No nothing.
I fucking love that shit.
No nothing. You know, when you are 777, you know how to do.
Yeah, 007.
You
The
know,
goalie's still below, boy.
I live in this life for 777 for a while.
Finals of Champions League. Oh, I can't wait. Thing is, though, I'll be driving there. Oh no, I'll be getting the train, so I can watch it on the train. Oh, would I?
What's who's in the final?
Man City, Inter Milan. Oh, fuck. Man City are finally gonna hold that trophy. The stream.
I hope they choke it. To be honest.
The stream went from trading to how to smoke weed and hash. Wait, what?
Yeah, you missed out.
You know what I like more than Colombia?
What? The woman.
Ecuador. Ecuador.
Yeah.
Is fun.
Wow.
Ecuador
Those places are just wild though. They're just like they're just so far away, and like I don't know, like it's just I would never think to go, you know. It would never be on my list, but like thinking about
Man, you need to go. Why? You wanna travel only in fucking Europe?
Yeah, that's true. Do you not like Europe?
I know, man, but this is the old continent. You need to go to the new one.
Yeah, look at it. It's fucking huge. This
Look,
whole
Ecuador up there. I be there in Montañitas. Oh my God, man! Montañita is a town. It's like a carnival all the time.
Ah, really? Is it near the sea?
Just party all the time.
Let's just take a look. Let's
Yeah.
just drop like this. Let's just drop this dude like here. I have no idea.
Esmeralda.
what to
I be there in Esmeralda.
Am I gonna see like fucking?
There's a fucking river up there in Esmeralda. No, man. If you're looking like that, you don't go. You know, it's like,
Whoa!
man, exactly. It's like a paradise in front
Fucking hell!
of the
It's like just a fucking jungle. Like that's sick. Look at that.
Man, drink Coronas and good fish all day with
There's a lot like spiders and snakes and shit. Like fuck. That would be...
Man, why you don't like eat spiders? I love it.
Oh fuck. Like nah. Do you know, snakes are scary though, man. Snakes are like. Fuck.
Oh man, look, I have my snake, man. I don't afraid with it.
Yeah, I want to go to South Africa as well. I want to see I really want to see the ocean wildlife now. Like you know, like all the land ones are like cool and all, but like the fucking like just seeing like a massive fucking whale would be like mind blowing.
You know what the
you have
London-
to see it in its actual habitat. You can't just like walk. Oh look, there's a fucking lion over there, and it's like in a fucking zoo. Like if you actually want to see a whale, it's got to be literally jumping about in the sea. That's sick.
You know the European girls when younger, you know, who go, like finish the high school and go to the university or finish the university. All the ones travel to Latin America. Fuck the Latin guys.
Oh my god.
That's
And everyone just wants to fuck each other.
because it's so hot, you know. And the
Well, it's
sun,
so
the water. Exactly, man.
That's why everyone wants to fuck it. 'Cause it's so
But it's hot.
Shit's happening. This is
Everyone's
true, man.
not wearing clothes.
Sorry if you come
Yeah.
down in the chat, listen that, but this is the truth, you know, when you're in the paradise and it's so hot and you have
You wanna
good,
fuck?
good
It's
people
not.
behind you, intellectual, speaking, make you laughing, what's happened?
Yeah.
Shit's happening. You know?
That's so true, isn't it? So I
And,
bet like
and
people
it's
like
good,
travel and
and
shit.
it's good, it's perfect because you are vacation. If in the next day you wake up and you don't want to remember, it's alright. Or both ones is alright.
Yeah, you just like move on with the life and shit.
Just move on. Hey, what is the next one?
What's the next one?
Not only for the boys, for the girls too, man. It's the same.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's sick, man. My kid's Aloha for class captain for sure.
What?
I want to hear Brian's voice again. When you don't hear someone's voice for so long, and they come on, it's just the weirdest sensation. It's like
Brian don't speak because he counts money right now.
he's counting.
Count money for a week. You know?
Brian can't put his mic on because he's just counting the money that he's
Yeah,
making.
man.
man.
He's just fucking.
The
he's
money
literally
machine's just going,
He's literally
"Grrr."
just counting his pip counter on the right hand side. Like it's just flickering. And he's just like watching it the whole time. Like,
It's a million peep boy.
yeah. Yeah, actually, I was like,
He probably gets his hair shaven while he's trading. Like he has a barber while he's entering M's and W's.
yeah, I was speaking to Don. Like, I was just having a conversation with him, like on Instagram Live. Like, I was just kind of chilling with him, and he was like, I was just talking about Brian, and he was like, oh, like, what does he do? Like, and I just go to Don. I go, you know, like he takes 10 trades a day. His win rate's 80%. His R to R is like fucking 4-1 on some of them. It's like that's like. But then that's why it's so good. That's why, you know, I'm starting to pick things up. It's because it's got the combination of everything. If you think about a trade, right? What do you want? What do you want for a trade, right? What is the perfect optimal trade you can ever want? People on the YouTube, put it down. What things do you need in a trade that would make your trade perfect? Think about it. And
You
write
need
it
a
down.
clean range.
There's three. No, not in terms of actual strategy. Not in terms of strategy.
Oh.
Like an actual, like, if you had to take a trade right now, what in your perfect utopia heaven would you take? in terms of like no setup, but like as in like what would you want from a trade? Would you want a high win rate, a low win rate, a high R to R, a low R to R, a sweaty ball factor? Like what would you want?
It's simple. Buy low and sell high.
No, that's like in how you trade. But what would you want in terms of an actual trade? So people in the chat, look, I'll go for it, right? People in the chat said no drawdown, good R to R for it to win. Yeah. Clean range, so yeah, so that's good. yeah, it is. So the best trade, if you think about it logically, if you write it down, what is the best trade? The best trade is a high win rate, a high R to R. Okay.
My win rate is
drawdown,
72.
No drawdown, and there's another one as well. And quick in and out. You don't have to hold the trade for fucking 30 hours. Okay, those are the things. So when I'm trying to explain to Don like what Brian does, I'm just like he just does everything right. Like he's just fucking like bam 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 bam. Like, oh my god. Yeah, that was good shit. I really enjoyed talking to Don. Actually, I'm gonna go ring him again. It was nice to speak to someone who does the same thing as you know, or like does something better than you know. It's like words of wisdom. It's like talking to. It's good. I enjoy it. It was didn't think I was like interested to see how it went. It was good. Is there a vid of you talking to Don? No. Me and Don just did it privately, you know. Privately just chat. Yeah. June been a pain so far. Man. You know. What day is it? The 7th? You've got 23 more days to, you know, obviously including
I make 3,000
not including
already.
weekends. You know? Yeah, Eloy's made 3,000 already. Fucking hell. Oh, because, yeah, you took my trades, didn't you? Oh, no, it's the first month. I know we just started. I gave you 2 trades.
Yeah, the other day I make a good trade with you. Last month I made 4,000. And this month I make 3,000.
Yeah, last week. Yeah, last week I did that trade here. And you took it, because I remember. And then you took... Oh, no, sorry. Then you took this one.
Yeah,
so you've had
exactly.
2 wins on the trot. But then there was another one, which is break even, which I haven't added here. But you closed full at 26 pips.
Yeah, exactly.
So you made like another 0.5. So you made like fucking 3 trades there, yeah.
I'm great.
17,
I'm great.
yes.
I think I make 1% with you. And I make 2% with me.
Nice, beautiful.
With my devil inside.
But yeah, right, so there's 17 days left, right? So I'm just going to work out for me. So the 17 days left, you only need 1 day where you could take 2 or 3 banging trades for you to get up like 5%.
Exactly.
So you need 1 day. Like, you know, there will be days where it's boring, but man, when the market is good, and this is from the best traders in our group, right? The best traders in our group, so like, you know, people who are putting in their trades all day.
But my next withdrawal, I just take my next withdrawal when I make 10,000.
Yeah. So the best people in our group as a whole, if you actually watch their trades when they put in, there's a significant increase of trades. There's a significant increase of trades on days that are very good. You know,
I think
you don't.
Someone will buy some gold right now.
It's coming up again, but it's still below. But yeah, it's still it's interesting to see, especially like Bri. If there's a good day and we know it's a good day, and you can see in the 5-minute, and there's like 4 M's and W's, that's a good day, man. Like you'll take like fucking 4 or 5 trades. Try and do a joint NY stream with Don would be interesting. Yeah, that'd be fun.
When I do it too many trades, I lose money.
Yeah. But I think someone who knows
that's my fault. If I just waiting the week for that good trade, fuck, I make money in 2-3 trades only.
Yeah.
You know, if every day I'm fucking desperate to make 1-2 trades every fucking day. Oh my god, man, the possibility that I take a wrong trade is more bigger than.
On those days, you probably take the one win and don't take the others. Exactly. So but that's only just because we're getting used to it. But there has been instances like recently where like there's been M's and W's fucking everywhere. Like literally, there's been like 2 in like the space of half an hour.
Look.
Take the first
He's
one.
doing what you tell you, Max.
I know he is. Yeah, to be fair, now it's starting
But the problem is that candle is not too big, the medium one.
Stop loss is like 18 pips. You getting an early buy? Tom? Yeah, I don't mind this one, you know. Because now, if you look now, 9 o'clock just closed. We just closed below. We've just ripped up. That's two 5-minute candles.
This is a trap.
Yeah, I don't like how the hourly closed below. But we've already broke the hourly high. It's like fuck. We just broke the hourly high, but also closed below. So we're breaking the high already. It's quite a nice sign, eh?
You wanna wait for Hetrosate, like a 51? No. Like you wanna you go back now. What the fuck are you looking, man?
Fucking hell, this is ripping up. But yeah, it's closing up strongly here, you know. 1958, back above that zone.
This trade is for the people like going to the gym.
Like what?
For the people that like going to the gym.
So we've got a minute left. 19.
Chico. Francisco take the trade, I think so.
Francisco, are you looking at it? Oh.
Yeah, Francisco, Pamela.
So the buy stop is going to be, sorry, the buy is going to be around 1957.5. 1957.5 is the retest, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to get in around here. Stop loss is going to be below that.
Bro, my internet is shitting the bed, literally, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Buy limit? Yeah, you can have a buy limit on if your spreads are good enough. If not, just manually execute there.
I'm already in this.
Did you get in on the lower one down?
Hey Max, your prof is wrong, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the profit 1 second.
I'm 1957 in.
62 the profit?
No, the 62. Well, we'll have a look. So in terms of profit, yeah, 62, 63, 1963. I think would be nice.
62.74.
How big are stops? Stops are like 20 pips. Yeah, like 18, 19 pips.
Let's see if we got the good retest.
What did you say?
Almost. I'm waiting for a bit of more far retest to get in.
Yeah, me too. I mean, down here.
Let's hope it doesn't drive us. It doesn't drive without us.
Yeah. So this 15 is about to close below as well. Oh, sorry, close above. Back into the zone. Oh no, we're gonna miss it.
You don't want to go back, Max.
You don't want to go back. Gain 3 pips. Still waiting because it could still come down. Obviously now the 3 minutes left for this 15 to close. Next one needs to make a bottom wick anyway, so.
I think she don't want to play with the G boys. With the G. Let's buy some G wagon this year.
Are you guys
Full
in? No,
margin.
not yet.
Max, where should I target? First TPs that yeah, there, right?
62, 63.
I mean, 62, bro. Like, if you get a big enough reaction.
All the way? Fucking hell.
Well, look. Well, I mean, if you look at every single time we've bounced off here, we've always gone back up 1963. So
Okay.
if you guys
You
are in
like
this
this.
trade, fuck, just missed us out.
Yeah, Max.
So I think
One
it's,
Yeah, I'm gonna close 80% at 1959.78.
Don't be a cook, bro. Waiting for the 62.
don't be a cock.
Oh,
Yeah, so guys, I think we unfortunately missed this one. That's the only issue with them, man. Like, how close was that? I got 3 pips. It's like you could just trigger early, but it's like, what?
We need to make a podcast.
That would be funny,
Trading
to be fair.
podcast with a
A
lower.
trading camp with a podcast.
Yeah,
Yes, come on.
beautiful guys. So whoever's in it now,
Oh,
well
man.
done. I mean, I don't know how you guys got in. You motherfuckers.
Don't close, Francisco.
Fuck.
Waiting.
I closed 80%.
How did you
You
get
are
in?
fucking pussy, boy.
You closed 80%. You're a pussy. Look how
Pussy.
far this is, bro.
Fucking pussy, boy.
You fucking.
Oh, I am.
You wanna
I
you
am
wanna
percent. I just.
you wanna some douche one? Douche pan. Douche pan.
I secured 80%
Oh my
again.
god.
Nah,
I have some baby stuff here for you if you want.
Do you know what? I genuinely think I think Elohe, and that's why his trades work. He is no pussy. Like, if he gets in at a support or resistance and that shit bounces off, Elohe will hold that motherfucker until it's literally up there.
Exactly, man. Because I have a wolf.
That
You know,
Don't give a fuck.
I'm fucking wolf. You know, you don't look at me like a lion because it's too many people think there's a fucking lion, but the lions work in the circle. You know,
Yeah.
you never see a wolf.
Okay, but listen. I secured 2%.
Man,
Yeah?
go eat some creatine. Go take your creatine.
He's having you on, you
Shit,
Kiko.
man. My uncle is cussing me out, man.
Yeah, he is.
I need to evaluate
Man,
life.
you want popcorns?
I
Would you go break
apologize, you
even?
know?
Yeah, I'd go break even. I closed 6%. Holy fuck. Where did you get in? Holy shit. You got on like the fucking
26%.
you got on the like the 1 millisecond and got that like right corner
You know what
there.
is funny? Funny is if right now he go back down.
Fuck both trades, I missed them. Yeah, me too, man. It just didn't pull down enough. I expected at least a 15 when it closed to come back down, but it's just kind of continued.
Look, I remember 1 year ago that I tell Max, go to I don't know some crazy trade, and the guys in the chat don't believe me, and the next day they fucking go up there. And I take vacation for 3 months. Man. Oh my
He just
God.
took vacation. Elohe literally, like, I think it was the time of like war, and he'd be like, we've never seen anything like over like 100 pip day. Like 100 pip day was like a day, you know, like that'd be like, whoa, gold has moved a ton. And like the war started, and like it'd be like 400 pips both ways, like in the morning and the afternoon.
In the morning,
And, like,
down 400 or up 400.
Yeah. Elohe would literally go, oh Max, I think gold's gonna get to 17,000. Sorry, like 1700, and we were at
No,
like
in-
1800. So it's like literally
Max
like
look,
an 800.
Max look at me like, what the fuck you talking about? You know, like you are fucking crazy, man. Stop speaking shit in my chat. You know?
Yeah,
And the
Elohe.
next day I just say, oh, good morning, guys. My TP is in profit.
He's in like
400
fucking
pips.
900 pips profit. Because all day Elohe goes, no, I didn't go more down. I just kept on going. Oh, that's great. That is great. But yeah, I think here, like, let's take a look, right? Let's actually do this logically, because you got a 1-to-1.
Yeah, because I was in a lot earlier.
Oh, okay, that's fair then. Yeah, you got more
I
than
was
1-to-1 then.
Yeah, that's why. I secured 2%.
Is that where you would have got in, Tom? Yeah, I was looking at that right shoulder, but because we weren't above it, like I was a bit like, oh, it's still below this fucking zone.
I was in on the retest of the wick. Yeah, so that's there. Yeah.
Ah, wow.
No, to the left. I was in quite a bit.
Wait, what?
For a while.
You were in it for a while?
I was in, so we had the 5
You were
minutes.
in it there.
Yeah, I was in there.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Wow, that fucking paid off, eh? See, that's
Fucking
good.
low
You
with
got...
fucking. Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good...
I'm not fucking crazy.
Yeah, that's a good ass trade. Yeah, it's just the low hair's mad.
Hey, look. Oh, hey.
What happened?
Hey, I was in earlier. Show him where I got in because he thinks I closed the 80% at 0.2.
Yeah.
But, I don't have a time to talk with pussy boys.
I don't have time to talk to pussy.
No, I'm too busy right now with my Apple sunglasses.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Look, you want an Apple sunglasses?
Yeah, show me the sunglasses.
Look, my Apple sunglasses, guys.
My Apple sunglasses.
Sunglasses. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Oh my God! This is a fucking scientist.
It's a projector.
Oh,
Yeah,
mate,
Jim.
look. He's gonna call you a pussy again. Watch this shit run another 40
Yeah, he is. He wanna jump now 200 pips, and he wanna. Ooh.
I'm not even gonna explain the real thing, but
Like the cockatoo cry.
God. This is great. This gold is this GJ's still pumping.
Ask Brian what he think. Brian, this go to 62 or not? Brian want to tell.
He'll hear you. He'll hear you. I'll tell you what he says.
Brian wanna say 82.
Brian will say, "Yeah, I'm expecting 2020."
You said 62 easy. I agree.
Easy,
I agree. I'm not gonna lie. I think if I was in this trade, because now, man, the amount of the percentage that gold runs for these M's and W's is so high.
You know
That
what,
zone is
Francisco?
clean as fuck.
Francisco, I have my 41 that shit in the toilet, baby. You know that?
Ah, fuck. Wait, yeah, look now, like, obviously the 15's just closed strongly bullish. You've got in so low. You just need to wait. Hopefully this has made the lower wick now. And then, look, you've got right at the bottom of the whole zone. Like, this zone gonna fill.
It's a gypsy trade.
How many people in the YouTube took this trade or got in somehow? Because I know a lot of you guys were looking at the W's. People were eyeing them up. People in the chat were just spamming it.
Hey, guys,
fucking
guys,
out.
you
Everyone
need-
got into these W's, bro. Look, Brian, this is what you've done. This is mad. Look at all these fucking people. Got in 3 entries. Holy shit.
The people in YouTube, follow me on Instagram. Eloy ProSurf.
Dollar got in. Did he hold? I think he did, didn't he? He's been holding them a lot recently. Eat my puppies. Took a smaller position than usual. Nice. How did you guys get in though? Did you get in just on that lower wick, or did you? It's so tempting to get in like on that lower wick. You never know when it is.
I didn't even see this. Look at the daily. We rejected from the previous daily.
Just right now, he said he don't see.
Yeah, bro. Look, we just tapped. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna have my overall TP at like 1966.
Look. Right now, you can give me the change. If the gold go down, you can say hello.
We'll wait for retest. Where at, Tom? The same place? Yeah.
Yeah, it's very possible.
I think I'd want to wait for this. If this 30-minute closed above, then that would be closing above, and then the next candle would be the lower
And
wick.
it's also closing back in the range.
Yeah, and our stuff would be
Close out
below
of
the
them.
previous 30-minute low again.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, but you don't think that he playing over there in this area?
But it's not like they play like this. This is the thing about a strong support like this. If you look every single time we've
All
been
the
on
time he
it.
go up there,
But
he
look,
jump back.
we just push though. We push every time. Like we drive at least to 1960. This one here drives all the way up with just low wick. You just gotta get in this area. Always ends up at the top. So looking at past things again, you know, this candle closed bullish, this one here, this one low wick, flip. Kind of makes sense.
I'm happy for the people take this trade.
Yeah, me too, man. How do people get in there? I didn't get in. I can feel the FOMO.
I don't take it. I don't take it.
I didn't get in. I can feel the FOMO. Nah, man, don't. People are getting in different ways, you know. Once you start acknowledging that the W's can probably form there and it's looking like it may, you know, you can get in on that break of the high. A lot of people getting in much earlier, and it means that if it does play out and you do actually get the right one, you know, you can get in there, break of the high, stop loss is 14 pips, and you're already up like 24. You just got nearly a 2-to-1
But I think
by just getting in a little bit earlier. And now your runner, because you've got in so early, your runner is much safer than this runner. Because you got in all the way down there. The amount of times that I see, like, because Brian's been doing this recently and other people have been doing this recently, but what happens is some people have been getting the W's here now, okay? Getting up a little bit, getting a little bit higher, then coming down, retesting again, bouncing back up and flying, and then Brian's entry is like 10 pips below that, so he doesn't get topped out.
That's what Brian do all the time.
Yeah, he's just, you know, having to.
And this is what you tell to do a couple minutes ago, but he don't go up like that.
Yeah, boy. I entered half on the break of the high, was waiting for a retest for the other half. Nice. I just got the break of the high. That's a good idea.
What's up, Kiko? You stay be quiet.
That's a good idea.
Huh?
You be quiet right now.
No, I'm just thinking about so the daily rejected of the previous daily lows, and the previous daily also closed bullish. So I'm just gonna keep my runner on until like 1967.
Oh, you do have a runner?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think you had a runner. That's why I was fucking telling you on.
I have a runner.
Oh, that's fine then. Yeah, you got 1-to-1.
Yeah.
You dipped. Yeah, you're good. It's just your little hair's fucking.
I'm not
mad.
fucking crazy.
Yeah.
I just play with him, man.
I know you do. You can take it. The truth is,
You know, for me, sometimes is if I break even, I waiting for my profit. If he go back, okay, I try. You know, my idea is in the shot, but I really.
Yeah, you don't mind taking break evens, do you?
If he's my trade, you know, if he.
No, I'm still at a point that I do mind if I take a break even and I was like at 1-2%. Like I still find it.
Man, yesterday I have 15 pips and I'm close. You know. And
Yeah,
he go
you
back
do that
and-
because I took that trade last time on the signals and I got up 26 pips and I didn't close because the stop was 40. So it's kind of a big stop and the zone was clean.
I don't like to risk 20 pips to make 10 pips.
Yeah.
If I risk 20 pips, I need to 50 pips, bro. Look, the 62.
Wait,
Yeah,
what's
I'm holding a runner until 1967.
Yeah, that was a good question. AW10, Brian, do you always wait for the sweep of the daily lows and highs? Yeah. Breaking of daily lows and highs obviously shows obvious structure from breaking complete whole zone. I've been starting to look at them more. I've just been looking more of like the actual zones, like looking more on like the hourlies now. And just like, you know, yeah, the zone's nice and good pushing down if you get clean zones, but when you're in these levels, especially now when we've got so much volume, how many times we bounce off this fucking level? So as long as you wait for something, obviously we did, but we're just a bit unfortunate. You just get a big bounce.
Can you go on the daily, please?
Yeah.
Look at those wicks to the left.
I know, exactly. That's why I didn't really fancy the sells there. Yeah, look at that. Oh, you fucking bastard, man. You fucking bastard. Oh, everyone's gonna have a great day today. Look at that, motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm holding this until 1967.
What, the 20% left?
Not the
Yeah, but I
100%.
risk 2% per trade, so.
Oh, right. You make a 1/7 right now.
I made 1.8.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking.
Yeah, I'm not crazy.
Ninja boy, the ninja boy.
Eu tenho cérebro.
But the really ninja just risk 0.30 T and make 1% at 1.5.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, but
samurai shit.
Samurai.
be like water.
Be like
The lowest-
water and fast like a bean. Look,
Oh, it's still going.
look, Elon Musk to the space.
Oh, it's still ripping.
Aye, aye.
Are bees that far? Wait, Roger said when he had too much knowledge in trading.
Canarian. We need to go to Canarian Island.
What?
Boot camp
Yeah.
in Canadian Islands.
Trading camp in Canarian Island. Surf, beach, and podcast in the night.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, Max, come on, man, set it up, man.
Let's make,
I'll make everyone pay $1,000 and we'll go for a week.
man. If everybody pay again, we driving by jet. Bro. I have a free
We'll
ticket.
teach us how to surf. We'll all work out together. Fucking make some money, hopefully, if we're not ranging.
I'm hunter in the medium day.
Play golf. I'd beat Brian's ass even though I've never played golf before.
I need a babysitter to my kids. For my wife, don't piss me off.
If not, your wife will quick kick you off, bro.
No, my wife is a flight attendant.
Your wife is a what?
Yeah, she work in the airplanes.
Oh, okay. I thought you just say it. Like, you just go on.
Have a crazy sketchy times. You know. Sometimes she go fly 4 in the morning, 6 in the morning, 8 in the afternoon. It's crazy.
Brian, would you class that as an IC? Interruption of a move? Because that's probably where your first target would be, if you didn't close before. It's an interruption between a move. Yeah. So that's a level that you could actually take it off and make logical 5-minute sense, not just off emotion. And then the second one's up there.
Yeah.
That for me. This is an IC. It's like a interruption. This one here is like an auto block. So this is actually a prime example of what I'd say an auto block and an IC were. This one here is the auto block. You normally draw it from the high and the low, like just that whole zone there. That's an auto block and that's an IC, and both will have reactions off. So like this, these ones here are cautious for when you take an M. So for example, if you take an M formation, 1 second. If you take an M formation, let's say that this was actually coming up. This was bullish, and then there's an IC in the opposite direction. Let's just say there's an IC here. If you're taking an M at resistance, you know that the price loves to go react off this level. Then the distance there from there and there to there has to be great enough for you to take positions before it hits it.
Yesterday 4 o'clock he do it the same. He go down and he make like a 2 candles like that. Up there, yeah, up there. You see, 50 minutes. You up there, yeah, down. Up there. We're doing the same. Maybe the next red candle just go back to the 57.50. Now he go down, up again.
Yeah, it just likes his range, but that's the good thing about it. It likes the range. You can just play in the range. This guy is wild. I think everyone's enjoyed the stream today. I think we've had a good bit of fun. We've discussed this. I know some people took it in the chat. I unfortunately couldn't get in. The GJ as well did the same kind of thing at support. If the W is a bit nicer there, I mean, I should have really just probably got in there, to be honest.
How many people you have watching on YouTube?
217.
217,
yeah.
Oh, I need to make some product to promote in this chat.
Almost 150 likes.
I wanna promote a douchebag. For the people that don't hold the trade.
Eloy, you should do a stream. You should do it. Eloy
Man,
stream.
I like be
It'd be
there
great.
in your stream. I don't like mine
Yeah.
because I don't like the people seeing.
What do you mean you don't like the people seeing you? You're on the camera.
Yeah, when the people don't see you, the people don't talk to about you. No, too much jealous in the world.
Jealousy. But you don't let that affect you, you know? You don't let that...
And the Portuguese people is too jealous. It's not true, Francisco?
Yeah,
Really?
man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
you know,
Portuguese people are very negative.
you know, the people look
Very
and
negative.
say,
It's really
oh,
weird.
this guy have a beautiful wife, a good kids, and surfing all day and driving fucking Mercedes. What he do? He's a fucking gangster? No, man. I just up 5 in the morning watching fucking chats all day. You know, but the people is jealous because go work 9 hours, 8 hours a day all the time.
Yeah.
Go back watching Netflix and jack off. and eat bananas before going to sleep. Oh my god, man, this is my life. This is my life.
That's so funny. The way you say some words is just hilarious. Like, jack off.
Bro, Eloy is probably the most unique person I've ever met online. Like, it's insane.
Yeah.
Eloy, I'm gonna come see you. Yeah, I swear. I promise. When I come Portugal, I'm gonna come see you.
Come on, man. I go to your town next week, but you know that.
But you're
Yeah.
not that.
She left.
Some fake Portuguese guy.
I don't give a shit.
Hey, Eloy, in Christmas, I'm in Santarém.
I am Brazil for Christmas. So
Oh yeah. When,
yeah.
Oh, only Christmas? Because I'm gonna be in November. I'm gonna be in Brazil.
I think I go to Christmas and New Year.
Is-
I
New Year,
go along with my kids.
New Year must be really cool, like in Brazil, man.
Brazil.
Yes. If you're younger, I'm single. Yeah.
Eloy, you're young as well, bro. Let's go on an adventure. Let's
we
go
can
exploring
go.
the Brazilian.
I wanna go to Budapest.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
wanna
Someone
go.
wanna come?
Max
I'd
will
go
go with you
Budapest.
as soon as he's
It's
better.
close to me as well, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, we can go, man. With no phones.
No phones.
He doesn't want no proof.
I'm
No, we
gonna
don't
be
wanna-
vlogging him, vlogging Elohe. I'll go on Twitch, do a Twitch in real life stream.
Yeah, like a speed thing. Did you see he got punched by a Man City fan?
Yeah, I saw that.
You know, guys, you know what I want to do? Talk to my wife yesterday and she started freaking out. I want to make her OnlyFans.
Is that what she
Yeah.
said?
Yeah. And she say, what do you want to show? I say, my feet.
You wanted to do it, your feet.
I'll probably go to Brazil and just make like a Patreon and like stream my adventures in Brazil because
Look, if you go, just tell me
Yeah.
that my young brother or my old brother pick you up in the airport and give it to everything. You can stay in my house up there.
oh thanks man. I'm gonna
You know
be
the
there
the city that I live up there, you know, Florianopolis, is 8 women for 1 boy. It's very
Great
dangerous
ratio.
place. It's a danger place.
Eloy, you know, I'm probably gonna leave a kid there from what I'm planning.
Well, you wanna make some kids up there?
No, but I'm just saying I might leave one there.
Leave?
And then... No, I'll bring him back.
Okay. It's your choice.
Kidnap and ransom. Oh my god.
Go.
So 9:37 now. I'm in goal. Continued here. Great job. How much did it actually push from our zone? 23 pips. Amazing. Just needed the closure, the lower wick, but yeah, I mean, amazing job. Discussed, just unfortunately the entry. Had to just push it a little bit lower, but that's fine. We know they'll come. We know when they do come, they'll run very nicely. And still the win rate for this is around about 70-75%. So great win rate, great R to R. So that's great. In terms of closures though and clean candles, the only thing was maybe actually, yeah, GJ had nothing. Goldie obviously pushed down nicely here. These are all nice solid candles. But I think it came quite abruptly. You might have been able to take an M there, pushing it, but I still think it wasn't the best. So for me here, the only trade that I would have looked to have taken today was this W, and it was correct. It worked out well, just unfortunate by the entry. So for me, that's a W. My analysis went well. The trades that I wanted to take worked. The trades that I couldn't take, in zones were quite choppy. So I think analysis was beautiful. So we'll stay later on. We'll start stream at like, I don't know, 12. And we'll see what NY has. NY apparently has been good recently, so that'll be fun. So yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. We'll be here every morning now, 6 a.m. Hopefully you don't shit myself tonight, but I should be fine. And we'll see you guys at 12 o'clock, man. Peace out. See you later, guys.
Peace out.
See you later.
Bye,
Peace out.
peace out.
See you later. See you later.
See you later. Bye. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.